It has started the recording. Over to you, Balakrishna sir. We can start off with the content first. And for today's class, we will take the questions in the end.
Okay. First of all, I will take some 5 minutes to solve the queries which is already in the sheet. So I will take just 5 minutes. I will rectify all these doubts and I will move forward.
Sure. Would you want me to share the screen, sir, or can you share the screen?
No, I have it. I have.
Great, great. Okay.
Okay, please, everyone, mute from your side. Yes. Okay, I am closing the chart. चार्ट को मैं क्लोज कर रहा हूं. तो पहला आई एम गोइंग टू टेक डाउट्स so which were there here. The first doubt is from the Rahul. Please cover the course content first in the session. Request you to address all the queries in the end. Yes. Next, Angad. We'll discuss regarding which important elements we have to see with respect to last 5 days value area ESS. We still have that to cover. We will cover it. Angad, as per April 2nd class, we can conclude that we have to avoid event day and 1 day before event day. As a neutral day, which happens in the event day, as low conviction day. Yes, whenever you feel the conviction is less, it is better to avoid. So nobody is forcing us to trade. It is our decision. That is the reason we are learning so many types of days. Okay, it is our wish to take a risk or not to take a risk. Definitely, Angad, it is a valid question. You can please explain the logic of the trade shade. Sell Nifty was the based purely market profile. No, Pankaj, don't ask the past questions. Whatever the trades right now I am going to share, I will explain you according to the logic. So because I cannot go to the very past. Is market profile helpful for the commodities like crude oil, natural gas? Yes, it is applied for everything. It is applicable for everything. अजय कुमार सर 11 मार्च को डबल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन में सिंगल प्रिंट ने नेक्स्ट डे काम क्यों नहीं किया? ऐसे भी हो सकता है. It will not work. Most of the days it will work. Some days it cannot work. It might not work. So there is no excuse. The strategies will not have 100% success ratio always. So some days it will fail. How to use the single print area? मैं अभी आपको बताऊंगा कैसे यूज करना. It is not yet covered. So we just studied what is the single print. तो उसको कैसे यूज करना वो मैं अभी बताऊंगा आपको. KVR, how to use Go charting software, link provided by you at the. सर Go charting को कैसे यूज करना है उसको यूज करने का वीडियो मैं रिकॉर्डिंग करके लिंक आपका व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का डिस्क्रिप्शन में पोस्ट किया हूं. तो प्लीज वॉच देयर. यू विल फाइंड आउट द लिंक. आपको लिंक मिलेगा, वो लिंक में वॉच कीजिए कैसे यूज करना है. I have not received third bootcamp recording yet.
Sir, Ditesh sir, the recording is updated in the WhatsApp group and in the group description also. You can check the description. आपको वहाँ पे मिल जाएगी recording.
हाँ, मैं अभी एक बार चाहिए तो बताऊंगा. Everyone, please, without missing, check your group description for the recordings. So don't repeatedly ask मुझे recording नहीं मिला नहीं मिला. It is your duty to check on the description. तो ये एक दिन 2 दिन चेक कीजिए, नो प्रॉब्लम. तो यू हैव आज का क्लास हो गए तो कल प्रोवाइड नहीं किया. टेक वन मोर डे. संडे यू हैव अ टाइम, संडे चेक करो तो उसका पहले तो मिल जाएगा. डेफिनेटली प्लीज चेक द डिस्क्रिप्शन फॉर योर रिकॉर्डिंग. तो रिकॉर्डिंग ग्रुप में भी डालेगा. ग्रुप में डालने के बाद बहुत सारे लोग टाइप करके सारा क्वेरीज पूछेगा, नहीं तो मैसेज डालते रहेगा. दैट विल स्क्रॉल अपसाइड, तो यू माइट मिस. if you do not miss, you have to check the group description. queries in each box letter a candle. How is it related to a candle? What is the sequence of the price moves in the market profile structure? Sir, every 30 minutes candle is replaced by alphabet bar. Okay, alphabet bar. It is up to you how many bars has to construct. Samjho, for example, one bar has been constructed at the price range of 10 rupees. 10 rupees के लिए आपको 10 boxes बनाए इधर 10 boxes बना है तो इट इज यूर विश एक बॉक्स का साइज कितना रहना है वो आप खुद यू कैन यूर सेल्फ हैज टू डिस्क्राइब व्हाट इज द साइज ऑफ द बॉक्स वेदर 10 rupees equals one box or 5 rupees equals one box. This is up to you, but in the market profile in default it has created, it is always tick size into number of ticks equals one box. तो बैंक निफ्टी का टिक साइज कितना है तो बैंक निफ्टी का टिक साइज इनटू नंबर ऑफ टिक्स इक्वल्स एक ब्लॉक बनेगा. ओके, दिस इज हाउ इट विल बी कंस्ट्रक्टेड. Are the bars related to the time? Every bar is a 30 minutes bar. Value area high low POC can be plotted during the daytime. How can those be used for setting the trading strategy? I think you have not attended previous sessions. So these are all already explained. Please watch the recording. There are green boxes and the red boxes. What do the color present? Please once again, it shows you have not attended the previous session. Okay, all those blue green bar is nothing but the V value area के अंदर आएगा blue, all the blueprints. So blueprint shows the, मैं अभी इधर दिखाऊंगा. See, whatever the blue boxes, it shows all these boxes are value area के अंदर है. This is beyond the value area. These green boxes are beyond the value area. ऊपर का नीचे का. Okay, तो देखते हैं आपको पता चल जाएगा. No need to ask. It is very simple. तो इसको अनस्प्लिट कर देता हूँ. अभी देखिए. So you can watch it here. All the blue boxes are within the value area, high and low. इसके अंदर. And these red boxes are nothing but POC. And remaining green boxes are out of the value area. How can IB be used for setting day trading? I think all these questions that will be get solved if you watch the previous class. Okay. Jitesh Kumar Mohanty, by looking at the today's profile, how can I know tomorrow trend give me 3 points? Okay. Sir, this you said in case P profile formation, there can be distribution and buyers get trapped and price may fall and so price may give breakout. Could you please give me more examples? Then, so please also use a setup swing trading. Can you provide the go charting training session conducted on 30? Okay. Today last 45 minutes. कब आज का? These are today's questions. 45 minutes was a good move in the bank nifty. While the repo rate was come at 10:05 a.m. Now, could you move at 12:30 p.m. be predicted using the market profile and order flow? Can you explain today's Nifty 50 setup? Which index we will use in order flow if we want to trade in Nifty 50? Question 2. When P shape is formed and when the price has moved upward and B shape is formed when the, okay. So all these questions from here to here not yet covered. So this will be covered. So let us do analysis of the yesterday and today. So yesterday and today was not available in the market, could not post updates. So today, let me take just a quick 2 to 3 minutes to cover that. Now, this is the yesterday's profile in the Nifty. This is the today's profile. Yesterday's profile was opened above previous day high. Above previous day high. That denotes bullishness. Next price has came inside. How to trade all this will be covered today's topic. So still I will be taking this and splitting this profile. Splitting this profile. This profile, what it shows, opening is because it is a bullish, opened above yesterday's high and it came inside the day. There are two possibilities to trade. तो टू प्रीवियस डे का लो का नीचे फेल्ड एक्शन को ट्रेड कर सकते हैं आप, और ए बी इनिशियल बैलेंस के फेल्ड एक्शन को भी ट्रेड कर सकते हैं, और वेट फॉर द प्राइस टू सस्टेन अबव दिस एंड टेक ए ट्रेड अपसाइड, ये भी कर सकते हैं. दिस इज फॉर निफ्टी. एंड आज का ओपन कहां पे हुआ है? कल के अंदर यस्टरडेज value area inside. It shows it is accepting the previous price action or previous business. तो फेयर प्राइस कितना था, वो फेयर प्राइस को फिर भी वो एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है. यस, आई एम रेडी टू बाय फॉर द सेम प्राइस, आई एम रेडी टू सेल फॉर द सेम प्राइस. So here you can use the POC, value area low, value area high for trading. तो कैसे वैल्यू एरिया लो में आप बाई कर सकते हैं एंड वैल्यू एरिया हाई में आप सेल कर सकते हैं. तो स्टिल बेस्ड ऑन दिस वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न some more strategies. For time being, I am telling you today will be buy at this location and sell at the exactly at the value area high. This is in the Nifty. Bank Nifty में Bank Nifty was someone is asking, I had a question, personal question in that WhatsApp chat. सर ऐसे कैसे ऐड करना है सिंबल्स को? यू गो टू बैंक निफ्टी. ओके, द फर्स्ट वन इज द दिस इज कॉल्ड स्पॉट. स्पॉट को आप ट्रेड नहीं कर सकते. व्हेन यू कैन नॉट ट्रेड यू विल नॉट गेट द डेटा. ओके, डोंट यूज दिस स्पॉट, यूज दिस बैंक निफ्टी 1 और निफ्टी 1, ऑल दिस. तो इसके अंदर मिलेगा आपको बैंक निफ्टी 1, वेयर it is in the bank nifty futures. Bank nifty futures we are going to do analysis. You can go to the spot can be displayed using market profile, क्योंकि spot ट्रेडिंग ट्रेडेबल होते हैं और इसके अंदर डेटा होता है. तो इंडेक्स में ट्रेडिंग नहीं होते हैं, इंडेक्स स्पॉट में ट्रेडिंग नहीं होता है, इंडेक्स फ्यूचर्स में ट्रेडिंग होता है. तो आप इंडेक्स का स्पॉट यूज किया तो ये डेटा नहीं मिलेगा आपको. इंडेक्स का फ्यूचर्स यूज करना है इधर. यू मस्ट गो टू बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स और डायरेक्टली यू कैन गो टू द फ्यूचर्स एंड टाइप बैंक निफ्टी. आप इधर बैंक निफ्टी 1 2 3 आएगा. सो सेलेक्ट द फर्स्ट वन, इट इज द कंटिन्यूएशन. ओके, देन दैट विल बी डिस्प्लेड. It is the yesterday's profile. This is the yesterday's profile and this is today's profile. So कल क्या हुआ? What was happened? 2 days low has been broken and created a trap. Price closed at the top. Next day, price accepted the higher level. That is the reason it opened yesterday's high. कल का हाई के ऊपर ओपन किया, इसका मतलब बुलिश बन गए. Right? If not, it could have opened here and it could have came down. तो वो कहां पे ओपन हुआ? ऊपर ओपन हुआ. So whenever it opens above yesterday's high, so there OTF traders will enter. Right? तो क्या हुआ? इधर ओपन हुआ, ऊपर गए, नीचे भी आए, तो till come to the yesterday's वैल्यू एरिया हाई। कहाँ तक आए? वैल्यू एरिया हाई तक आए। तो दिस वाज द वैल्यू एरिया हाई। ओके, अब क्या करना है, इसको स्प्लिट करके रखो। तो while trading you must split and watch. Now what has happened? It created a poor low in the BC bar, then price came down in the D, broken the C. Exactly it touched at the POC, previous day POC, and उधर से क्या बना? ये एक failed action bar बना. Okay, this was the D which broken the AB. AB is the IB. AB मतलब एक पहला 1 घंटे का रेंज, उसको डी ने ब्रेक किया और इसके अंदर क्लोज दिया. नाउ योर एक्टिविटी शुड बी बाय अबव दिस एज ए फेल्ड एक्शन बार एंड टारगेट विल बी दिस विल बी योर टारगेट. तो दिस द फेल्ड एक्शन ट्रेडिंग, क्योंकि आईबी को ब्रेक करके इसके अंदर क्लोज किया डी बार ने, और डी बार के ऊपर आपका एंट्री होगा, इसके टारगेट होगा टॉप ऑफ द डे. सपोज इफ यू फाइंड दिस इज द वेरी बिग रिस्की 50-50%, तो आप क्या करना है, ट्रिगर होने के बाद वेट करना है. व्हेन प्राइस रिट्रेसेस टू हाफ ऑफ दिस बार, टेक द ट्रेड हियर, देन बुक योर प्रॉफिट्स. दिस इज द एक्शन फॉर यस्टरडे. आज का क्या है? तो टुडे प्राइस ओपन विद इन द यस्टरडेस रेंज. दिस इज द यस्टरडेस वैल्यू एरिया. दिस इज द यस्टरडेस वैल्यू एरिया. कहां पे ब्लू रहेगा? वो रहेगा yesterday's value area. It opened below within the yesterday's value area and came down, took the support from value area low और इधर से ऊपर निकला. Then one more B bar constructed. This A and B becomes the IB of the day. C bar broken the high of the IB. Okay, then D bar broken the C. D bar broken the C. After that, price went up. Maybe it took time, but still it went up. Now action for today is you must mark the yesterday's high. आपका yesterday's high को मार्क करके रखना. Whenever it gives a breakout of IB, कभी भी IB का breakout होता है ना, then you know that OTF traders has been already entered. OTF traders will take the prices higher. As soon as the AB is broken by C, make sure that this C also broken the yesterday's high. आपको ए बी इनिशियल बार को ब्रेकआउट होने के बाद अभी एक कंफर्मेशन करना है, आप यस्टरडे हाई को भी ब्रेक किया क्या? क्योंकि यस्टरडे हाई विल वर्क एज ए इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट टू रिवर्सल. तो कभी ए बी बार, ये दोनों आई बी इज अबोव द यस्टरडेज हाई, इट इज ओके. if AB is within the yesterday's high, make sure that it has broken the high of the previous day or not. तो इधर आपका कुछ ट्रेड नहीं है, you don't have any trade, क्योंकि सिर्फ AB को ब्रेक किया है, not yesterday's high, क्योंकि इमीडिएटली वो आपको रेजिस्टेंस जैसा काम करेगा. Now you need to wait for one more breakout of the previous day high. वो कहा किया? D में किया. Now D has broken both IB and also previous day high. So where is your trade? Your trade is above the D. D के ऊपर आपका ट्रेड और आपका स्टॉप लॉस होगा D के नीचे, because that is the bar which has broken IB and also previous day. Okay, this is your trade and your stop loss is here, and this is how price has moved. Nothing different, this will happen normally. Okay, this is the trade you must anticipate for today. I will give you just 1 minute. If you have any questions, you can type. समझ में आ गया क्या? Is it clear? Today's action. Divakar, don't ask me to repeat in the same session. You will get the recording, you will watch it again. Okay. What will happen if I keep repeating the same thing? People will be get bored. Pratik, today and yesterday I was not available. That is the reason I could not post. So that already told you day before yesterday. How can we guess we will reach up to? How to know the target for today? Target is by default. By default, it is 1.5 to 1.5 to 2. By default, if there is any references already, that references will be your target. If there is no references, you already understood the profile. You already understood the profile. Look at the IB range. According to the IB range, fix your target. तो टारगेट क्या करना है, कैसे फिक्स करना है, सारे हम ऑलरेडी डिस्कस कर लिए हैं. ओके. Yesterday was invalid file action. Which one, sir? राजेश कुमार जी, कौन सा है? Shrikant, I already clearly told day before yesterday, I will not be available for 2 days. So nahi ho, but I have to download for option buyer like me. How will I learn accommodate this analysis? Tarun, we will learn how to trade in options later. As of now, only market profile. Market profile is nothing but understanding the market. You show the same in the candle chart. Could you take entry upon pullback? Yes, Akash. I always advise to take a entry on pullback. Even see, for example, this is the high and this was the stop loss. Please, I am stopping the messages and I wanted to reply for the present messages. Akash has a good question. So whether we want to wait for the pullback or we can buy. See, it is really our decision. If I am a trader, it is my decision whether I have to go for a breakout trade or pullback trade. Why people will get fail is, मैं कभी बोलता हूँ इसके ऊपर buy करो. Now people what they do is, whenever the price broken this area, they're just jumping and buying and placing the stop loss here, and they're feeling अरे stop loss बहुत बड़ा है ना. I cannot create a market. I cannot create a market profile. So market profile will be keep creating. ओके. मैं आपको इसके ऊपर बाई करो इसका मतलब जंप करके बाई करो ऐसे नहीं. एंट्री विल ट्रिगर अबव दिस. इसका ऊपर एंट्री ट्रिगर होगा. एंट्री कभी ट्रिगर होगा तभी बाई करना है, ऐसे नहीं. ओके. तो यू वेट वंस द प्राइस ब्रीचेस दिस. आफ्टर दैट draw the support and resistances in the smaller movement. तो wait for the pullback and take a trade. इधर पे क्या हुआ, there are chances, there will be a lot more chances that देखो it has given a pullback, it has a breakout and pullback and went up. Now you can enter here by keeping stop loss here, those who already have experience, or you can wait for any pullbacks in the smaller time frame, maybe 5 minutes to take trades. It is just a understanding. It is market profile is just a understanding. तो कहां पे आपको एंट्री मिलेगा to get higher accuracy. That's all. It is not mandatory to take a buy breakout trade. तो पवन was asking, सर स्टॉप लॉस बढ़ जाएगा ना, बहुत बड़ा हो गया ना. Yes, definitely. It is the assumption आप इधर स्टॉप लॉस रखना है, इधर आप ट्रेड लेना है, and it is not compulsory ऐसे ही ट्रेड लेना है. Okay, hope you understood. I was not in the market today, hence I missed the move. On mute, I have a query. Pratik, how we get this chart? Any explanation about the Sensex? Will the POC be formed at the time of the trade? This POC will be keep forming when the market is moving. It will be keep forming. POC बनते रहेगा. On the flow, you keep speaking in the Hindi and forget to explain the same. I have a doubt. If the price is staying in the range bound for the long term, when we take the position, then any way to get theta decay. I understand options are mainly made up of that. I will explain you later. There is a topic on it. Can explain with a one graph with the short example. Sell order. Wednesday was an invalid fail action. Rajesh, invalid fail action in where? So where is the invalid fail action, sir? There is no invalid fail action, Rajesh ji. See, C bar was not broken the low of IB, only D bar broken and closed inside. So on the break of this is your entry and this is your stop loss clearly. C broke D. Please start one page. Will this concept be the same? I trade in cash. Yes, this is same in the cash market. Can possible to show in the candlesticks. Yes, this is how you look it in the candlesticks. Nifty spot. Don't look it, Ajit. Don't look it in the Nifty spot. This will not print in the Nifty spot. C bar broke D. Rajesh. What C bar broke D? I did not understand, sir. Today Nifty narrow and Bank Nifty moderate. Yes, Sudeep. Right. Explain the Sensex along with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. Okay. So we will be learning further. For time being, I have answered yesterday's action. Next, let us move to the topics. So you understood the convictions of what is the major things to be considered. The trend day should be very important. Double distribution day will be very important. You must give importance to these two because these two create narrow IB. So normal variation day is very nice to trade. इधर तक बहुत अच्छा है ट्रेड करने के लिए. Every single corner of the market move can be captured in all these three profiles, and this is the suggestion to avoid. Okay. अभी तक हम मार्केट को अंडरस्टैंड किया कैसे मार्केट में मार्केट बनता है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द प्राइस ऑप्शन. दिस आर कॉल्ड ओपन एक्शंस. ओपन एक्शन मतलब कब होगा? ओपन एक्शन इज द थिंग वी आर गोइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड द फर्स्ट IB. First, within the first IB, how price action is going to happen, how the price is going to auction. Auction मतलब movement कैसे होता है. So maybe till now you did not clearly understood the first IB. There are lot of things in the IB. Total journey of the market movement is in IB. If you can just understand the IB clearly, you can backtest so many IBs, and at least for 3 months you can keep watching the IB activity. You can create your own strategies. Without strategies you can trade very easily. You can trade. This is my promise. You don't need to go behind any of these strategies. Okay. So let us start with the open actions. So there are 4 important open actions we have right now. First one is the open drive. सेकेंड वन इज द ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव. हम इसको शॉर्ट में ओडी, ओटीडी, ओआरआर एंड ओए, दिस इज हाउ वी स्पीक व्हाइल डूइंग एनालिसिस. ओडी मतलब ओपन ड्राइव, ओटीडी मतलब ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव, ओआरआर मतलब ओपन रिजेक्शन रिवर्स, ओ ये मतलब ओपन एक्शन. ओके, तो दिस वी विल लर्न वन बाय वन. फर्स्ट वन इज द ओपन ड्राइव. ओपन ड्राइव मतलब क्या होता है? Clearly I will give an example. You are owner of the car, you are very rich, you are owner of the car, you are getting ready at the home, and your employees or whoever will bring the car to your door and he will get ready the car. कार आपका घर के डोर के सामने आएगा, रुकेगा, and after getting ready you will just come and open the door and you will sit in the car and going towards the office. It is very simple. Same way, so car will be ready, price will be ready, price will be opening and keep moving towards, कहां पे जा रहा है? उधर पे जाते रहेगा. ओपन करेगा, उधर से भागेगा. So most of the time you might have seen that open equals low, open equals high. Those are also called as a open drive. मार्केट में ओपन होगा, उधर से एक ही डायरेक्शन में जाएगा, कभी भी वापस नहीं आएगा. That is called open drive. Open drive, price opens and keep moving. It will never come back, it will never go up. तो कहां पे ओपन करेगा? उधर से भागते रहेगा, सिंगल डायरेक्शन. That is called open drive. Now here see open drive up. ओपन ड्राइव अप मतलब ओपन इधर हुआ, इधर से ऊपर चले गए, ऊपर चले गए. दिस इज द ओपन ड्राइव डाउन. ओपन करके इधर डाउन चले गए. इट इज exactly nothing but open equals high, open equals low. It is very clear. Okay, this will give you more conviction to understand the strength of the buyers and seller. ओपन ड्राइव में आपको क्या लगता है? as soon as opens here and keep moving upside, it means strength of the buyers, aggressiveness of the buyers, weakness of the sellers. Weakness of the sellers. तो here open equals high में आपको क्या लगता है? तो aggressiveness of the sellers, market imbalance, movement of the price, strength of the sellers. Okay, these are the information open drive will give. This also equals equal to open equals low. Okay, this is open drive. ओपन किया, इधर से नीचे आ गए. दिस इज कॉल्ड ओपन ड्राइव. इसको अभी क्लियरली बोलना है तो इट इज ओपन ड्राइव डाउन. ओपन किया, ड्राइव्ड मतलब सामने गए, कहां पे गए? नीचे गए. ड्राइव इज नथिंग बट मूवमेंट. ओपन होने के बाद ड्राइव डाउन, डाउन डाउन साइड में ड्राइव हुआ प्राइस. ओपन ड्राइव अप, दिस इज द ओपन ड्राइव. वंस अगेन इट इज अ ओपन ड्राइव अप. एक बार ओपन हुआ, ओपन होने के बाद उधर से ऊपर चले गए, ओपन ड्राइव अप. दिस इज द ओपन ड्राइव डाउन. वंस अगेन एक साइड में ओपन, इट इज ऑल्सो इक्वल टू ओपन इक्वल्स हाई. open drive down. This is also open drive down, OD. I hope it is clear. Is it clear? ओपन ड्राइव क्लियर हुआ क्या आपको? Ajit, open drive means opening at a place and moving in a direction, single direction, not at all coming down. It is just like open equals high and open equals low. Open equals high and went up. Where, Ajit? Can you tell me the date? 15th is not open drive. 15th. When is the 15th? Who told 15th? Who told 15th is not open drive? Why? Why it is not open drive? Ajit. Open equals high. हाँ. देखो पहला मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, ज्यादा यू आर इन्वॉल्विंग योर माइंड मोर, दैट इज द प्रॉब्लम. ओके, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द ओपन ड्राइव. तो बाद में क्या हुआ, दैट इज द स्टोरी. प्लीज लीव इट. मैं आपको दिखा रहा हूं ओपन होने के बाद क्या हुआ. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. यू आर गोइंग बियॉन्ड, दैट इज द रीजन यू आर नॉट एबल टू लिसन टू द प्रेजेंट, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू आर आस्किंग मी टू रिपीट अगेन एंड अगेन. मैं आपको एग्जांपल दिखा रहा हूं व्हाट इज द ओपन ड्राइव, दैट्स ऑल. ओपन ड्राइव होने के बाद क्या होगा, दैट इज नॉट द प्रेजेंट सब्जेक्ट. ओके, तो अभी का सोचो, बाद में बाद का सोचेंगे. आई होप आई क्लियरली टोल्ड इट इज ओनली अप्लीकेबल फॉर द आईबी. आईबी के अंदर क्या स्टोरी होगा, इट इज ओनली अप्लीकेबल फॉर दैट. if you might have attended to any of the coaches, I know many coaches will be misguided. There is no proper information for them. Okay, so I am not a copycat here. I have not copied from anybody else. This is my experience. So it is only applicable for the open IB. क्योंकि open drive we are going to take the trade. Open drive के ऊपर हम तुरंत ट्रेड लेते हैं. It is not the post-mortem trade. It is the present trade which we are going to trade. Immediately हम इसके ऊपर ट्रेड लेते हैं. So that is the reason. बाद में क्या हुआ, ओपन ड्राइव डाउन होने के बाद ये ऊपर चले गए, तो हमको कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बिकॉज वी ऑलरेडी टुक द ट्रेड एंड ऑलरेडी क्लोज द ट्रेड. We will not be waiting for so much of time. Okay, this is the open drive. So I am moving to the topic. Next, ओपन ड्राइव में आपको क्या क्या एंटिसिपेशन कर सकते हैं आप. एंटिसिपेट ए ट्रेंड डे. ओपन ड्राइव में आपको यू कैन एंटिसिपेट ए ट्रेंड डे. most of the open drives will create a trend day provided ओपन ड्राइव का आईबीबी सपोर्ट करना है. ओके, नो वही सर एंटिसिपेट ट्रेंड डे कर दिया सर, तो मुझे नहीं मिला सर ट्रेंड डे. ट्रेंड डे मतलब एक डायरेक्शन का मूवमेंट, तो नहीं मिला इसका मतलब क्या है, IB has not created so powerfully and did not get the opportunity to break down or break out. Okay, so that we are going to discuss later. Whenever you get a open drive, you can anticipate a trend day, so you must be get ready for a big move. Okay. Next one is a open test drive. Open test drive is nothing but just the same example. You have parked your car at the parking. तो आप कुछ जाते हैं इस कार में I mean you are starting the car, taking back to the road and driving towards your office. Okay, there is a car already parked in your parking. There is no more to help you, and you are starting the car, taking outside of the house and going towards the office. So this is called open test drive. इधर पे क्या होता है, पहला ओपन होता है and try to move in a opposite direction, and it test the supports and resistance which already had. ओपन होने के बाद कोई सपोर्ट एंड रेसिस्टेंस का ताकत क्या है करके टेस्ट करेगा वो. If price comes to the support and resistance, what are the supports and resistances? We have important points is a VA value area का high low POC and previous day high, previous day low. These are the important locations. It can test. ओपन होने के बाद ये प्राइस आके इसको वापस इसको टेस्ट करेगा, तो इधर पे आपको स्ट्रांग सपोर्ट मिला तो बाद में ऊपर चले जाएगा. It will move in a opposite direction. It can be open test drive up or it can be open test drive down. अब देखो इधर क्या है, प्राइस ओपन हियर, इट टेस्टेड द प्रीवियस डे हाई. प्रीवियस डे हाई को टेस्ट किया, क्या ये प्रीवियस डे हाई स्ट्रॉन्गर हाई की नहीं. It has tested the previous day high and from there it reversed and created a trend day. So here you can see the open happened here and tested the previous day value area low and then it came down. Hope yesterday also same thing. So let us see. Here you can anticipate normal variation day. What is the normal variation day? I am opening a chart box. Please everyone type what is the normal variation day. What is the normal variation day? Normal variation day is nothing but moderate IB. Yes. Yes. 80 to 90% people are answering good. Nice. It is between 30 to 60%. Yes. Yes. Now let us see in the chart. For previous day high should be considered the value high. Sugandhini, I did not understand your question. Price previous day high test किया means what? ऋतु जी टेस्ट किया मतलब टच किया, टच करके उसको ब्रेक करने के लिए ट्राई करेगा, तो वीक बायर्स है तो ब्रेक कर देगा. ओके, स्ट्रॉन्गर बायर्स है तो उधर से रिवर्स मारेगा. ओके ऋतु, Abhijit, yes. All the drives, whatever the 4 types of drives we are discussing, that will happen at the starting of the day. Starting of the day. What is this? What is this? Yes, Ajit.
Sir, my doubt is you are saying that this all open trades will be happening on first 2 candles, that is A and B 30 minutes candle.
Ah.
So suppose let's say it's an open is equal to high.
Hmm.
So we have to wait the first 30 minutes until it closes. Then only we will be taking trade in B candle, right, sir? Are you saying that?
I am not at all telling anything to take trade. Just we are understanding. Trading part I will come later. How to take trade I will come later. Okay. This is what is the type of trade here? What is the type of auction?
It's open drive. Oh, sorry, open test drive. Like
Yes, it is the open test drive. Open here, it tested the value area low. Why? Because you can see the price is in uptrend and open here, tested downside, the last support and drive upside. OTD, yes. Once again, what is this? Anybody? What is this? Yes. Yesterday's value area high tested. Next. What is this? What is this? No, Satyendra Prasad. You must practice to understand this. Okay, you must practice to attend. Clearly, you can see all the bars are printed here, AB bars. You can consider up to, see, you can consider if the price opened above, you can consider up to value area low. Okay. If the price opened below, you can consider value area high up to previous day value area high. OTD. Okay. Not at the top or not at the bottom. Okay. Suppose if price opens here and comes to the bottom and touches here, goes upside. This will not be OTD. So that have a different significance. Yes. Okay. OTD will be between value area high low up to Inderpal Singh ji. Up to it can test the maximum value areas. Okay, up to maximum value areas. Yes. If it comes to previous day low or previous day high, then it will become poor high or the failed action. That will be considered as a failed action or a poor highs and poor lows. समझो ये वैल्यू एरिया छोड़ के नीचे तक आ गए, इधर से ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव हुआ, तो देन वी विल कंसिडर दिस एज ए डिफरेंट स्ट्रक्चर, दिस एज ए poor low touch or failed action of the previous day. Okay, this is different way of looking. Next, this is the open test drive. Third one is the open rejection reverse. Open rejection reverse is a little different and stronger. What is the reason for touching the value area high low? Pramod Panda, I just told you to check the weak buyers and sellers. Okay, to check the weak buyers and sellers. What is happening? Many people are left and once again joining, leaving and once again joining. Are you facing any problem in the Zoom? बहुत सारे लोग लीव कर रहे हैं फिर भी ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं. Okay, let us come to open rejection reverse. Angad, let me explain this and later I will unmute. Now see here, open rejection reverse में क्या होता है? There will be a established trend. There will be a established trend. Okay, whether uptrend or downtrend. The profile has formed and it has a POC, previous day high low. Okay, price will open somewhere as a imbalance. तो कभी बैलेंस और इम्बैलेंस क्या होता है? प्रीवियस डे का वैल्यू एरिया का अंदर ही प्राइस ओपन किया तो ओपन हुआ तो उसको बोलते हैं हम बैलेंस डे. Price is starting accepting the previous day balance. When the price starts within the yesterday's value area, it means highly people are accepting the fair price of yesterday. If little bit higher, which are those levels? Above the value area high, below the value area low. If price opens, it means something differently people are thinking now today. They are not happy with the previous day's fair value. What was the previous day fair value? Fair value will be always present inside the value area always. फेयर वैल्यू कभी भी आपको कल का वैल्यू एरिया का अंदर रहेगा. इसका मतलब तो एक ही प्राइस में वो ट्रेड करने के लिए एक्सेप्ट करने का, सेल करने वाला बाई करने वाला. दैट इज द बैलेंस. तो कभी वैल्यू एरिया का ऊपर नीचे जाएगा ना, बियॉन्ड द वैल्यू एरियाज, दैट क्रिएट्स एंड दैट शोस समथिंग डिफरेंट पीपल आर थिंकिंग नाउ. आज के लिए दिस ट्रेडर्स आर थिंकिंग समथिंग डिफरेंट. Fair value, Balamurugan, yes. Fair value, fair price are same. Electricity bill earlier, wherever the states before election they were charging 5 rupees per unit. Okay, now some states announced free, everything free if you vote for me. So people voted for them, then they started to get free things, some free things. Okay, to compensate that, government has increased from 5 rupees to 7 rupees per unit electricity. Now in the first 1 week or 10 days people started to oppose, but later people started to accept to pay the 7 rupees and they're happily paying and they're not at all minding to pay 7 rupees. It means they are once again accepting the fair price. Okay, that might not be fair price, but people accepted themselves. Oh, this is my fair price, I am ready to pay this, and seller will also ready to sell for the same. Okay, ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव के बारे में हम बात कर रहा था. It was most of the time it will open when the market is established in the trend. समझो this is the profile and opens above value area high, opens value area high, tries to go in the up direction, okay, but not able to go, and it will come back, okay, and it will come back exactly opposite direction. It will come back in the opposite direction. Just like in a normal life, husband and a wife fight happens, and she say this might not be good to good example. Maybe people think that sometimes you take some decisions and to go in that direction, you are not able to sustain in your decision, and you will come back to accept your previous life or previous activity. Same here, price will start imbalance. Imbalance opening is always beyond the previous day high, okay, beyond the previous day high, beyond the previous day value area. Price will start imbalance and try to go according to their decision, but not able to sustain, and it will come back. Here you can see open happens here, try to go in a direction and comes back. इसको बोलते हैं ओपन रिजेक्शन रिवर्स. ओपन reject and reverse from here, okay, open reject and reverse from here, okay. So most of the times this will happen in the trend establish a trend रहेगा तभी वो होगा. So that will be more powerful. As we are going forward, I will be giving the example in the live, so then you will understand. This will be more powerful. Whatever the drives we are learning now, these are all the just tools we are learning. So how to apply this, we will be applying in the live. So these are the very powerful activities happening the price action, which will give you a quick money and clarity in the trade. So kabhi open idhar hota hai and try to go in a direction, it will move down. I will be taking a trade and this will giving me quick profits. Okay. So this is called open rejection reverse. You can anticipate a normal day, non-trending day or neutral day. इधर पे क्या हुआ, you can see ये this is the IB. It broken downside, it also broken upside and closed at the inside. It is a neutral day. It is a neutral day. It opens here, tries to go up, came down and started to trade here itself and closes here. It become non-trending day. Will price remains between value area high and value area low. Inderpal Jingji, yes, you can see here non-trending day. This can also possible, this can also possible, this can also possible. तो अभी इसका नाम लीजिए, you just remember the name, so later when you apply it you will understand clearly. Okay, so we will see some examples. Now you can see here open, try to go up. If you want to see clearly, you just open it and split the profile for the clarity. A clarity के लिए, okay, because that is only applicable for the first rejection at what level. Open here, try to go up, get rejected, came down, then closed inside. Okay. Once again, open, drive down, rejected. Okay, so closed here. Are you able to understand? Are you able to understand? Rutu, what I am saying, opening should be beyond value area. Opening should be beyond value area or beyond yesterday range. ये ओपनिंग आपको कहा होना है yesterday का fully outside of the yesterday or beyond value area at least. तो क्या होता है वो वैल्यू एरिया के अंदर ओपन हो गए तो इट विल बिकम ए बैलेंस्ड ओपनिंग. ओके, कभी भी ओपनिंग यस्टरडेज के वैल्यू एरिया के अंदर ओपन हुआ तो उसको हम बोलते हैं बैलेंस्ड ओपन. दिस शुड नॉट बी ए बैलेंस्ड ओपन, इम्बैलेंस्ड ओपन. इम्बैलेंस मतलब इसको देख के आपको लगता है अभी ट्रेडर्स का सोच बदल गए हैं. ओके, whether it can be gap up, gap down, whatever, the opening should be, yes, it looks like a gap up. Govind Singh ji, yes, it looks like a gap up, gaps. Opening दूर होते हैं ना, that exactly looks like a gap. Balmurugan, yes. So clearly that is here. You can see the price opened at the POC. This is not valid. Okay. Fourth, either. Yes, yes. Satyendra Prasad, yes, right. Yes, done. So these are the days you can anticipate. समझो, if you can understand all this, आपको क्लियरली समझ में आ जाएगा आज का मार्केट के अंदर मूवमेंट क्या होगा. तो once you understand this, it is very easy to keep your stop losses, very easy to capture the moves. I think one person in the master class has told, sir, I am facing a problem. Whenever I take a trade, I will be waiting for a very long target. So always I will be waiting for the long target and I will be facing the losses. Is that person is there today in this webinar? I don't know his name. I don't remember. If you are here, please type your name. Yes, somebody has told. Vicky is also facing the problem. बहुत practice करना होगा. सुनील जी, बहुत practice कुछ नहीं, 1 महीने के लिए इसको फॉलो करो, आपको याद आ जाएगा. ओके, so if you understand this days, definitely you don't need to wait for very long. आपको कब लॉन्ग पे वेट करना है, कब नहीं वेट करना है, तो आपको पता चल जाएगा. I also give you at the end of this session, I also give you how to take the profits. How to take the profits. I know many people, they will take the tips and they will be looking at others tips saying, "Arey buy at 100 rupees, target 200 rupees," giving in the social media. तो लोग इसको देखेगा, yes, see, sometimes इसका एंट्री भी ट्रिगर होगा and that will go and hit the 200 target. इतना बड़ा टारगेट, people feeling very happy, and वो क्या सोचेगा, अरे इतना बड़ा टारगेट दिया and that hit the target. So it is possible always. ऐसा बड़ा टारगेट लगा के हम बैठ सकते, बट यू डोंट नो, randomly you look at this post and randomly this hit the target. Bada targets will not hit regularly with a high accuracy. How and when we will consider the rejection, please? Prafulla sir, मैं सभी बोलूंगा, wait करो, okay? So whenever you look at this kind of bada targets, that will not regularly hit. So once a while this will hit, and you consider a trade ऐसे ही होगा, इतना बड़ा टारगेट दे दिया तो हम वेट करना है. तो कभी भी ऐसे प्राइस डायरेक्टली जाके आपको टारगेट हिट नहीं करेगा. एंड 85% ऑफ द टाइम एवरीथिंग फेल्स, everything will fail 85% of the time. So what works at 85% of the time? When a long target will fail 85% of the time, so what will win 85% of the time? See, I will give you very simple. Sugandhini, yes, Vicky, right. There are two options when you wake up in the morning: coffee and tea. Okay, there are only two options. 85% of the time you will not be drinking coffee. So then what you are drinking 85% of the time? अजय कुमार जी, अभी मैं हिंदी में ही बोल रहा हूं. आपको दो ही ऑप्शन है मॉर्निंग उठने के बाद, कॉफी एंड टी. ओके, आप रेगुलरली कॉफी टी को पीते हैं. ओके, कॉफी एंड टी 85% ऑफ द टाइम आप कॉफी नहीं पी रहे, टी नहीं पी रहा है, 85% ऑफ द टाइम नहीं पी रहा है. तो कौन सा पी रहा है आप? तो रिमेनिंग कॉफी तो पी रहा है ना. Then 85% of the time the big targets are not achieving. It means 85% of the time smaller targets are achieving. You go and find out in all over the world, okay, people who can work for a short time are more than who can work for a longer time. Who can run for 100 meters, people are higher than who can run for a 1000 meter. Yes, Pankaj, yes. Okay, this you must remember. Next one is the open auction. Open auction is the least thing where you have a less conviction, less confidence. Price will be keep rotating inside yesterday's range. Okay, so open auction will happen within the yesterday's value area. अभी तक हम क्या क्या सुना, all those will happen beyond the value area. Now this will happen within the value area. Okay, this also we are going to use to get benefited. ऐसे ना इसको छोड़ देंगे. Okay, avoid trading this type of open inside yesterday's range and allows others to trade, which will create opportunity for us to trade in trend and double distribution days. तो क्या होगा when the price opens within yesterday's value area, that also denotes the acceptance of the fair price. कभी वो fair price को accept करेगा ना, तो more the time it will keep accepting the fair price, chances of no movement over where the rejection appears. Is there any reference? Sridhar Hiriyuru. References can also be present and may not be present. May not be present. वो भी possible है. Okay. Here, this is the lowest conviction day, lowest confidence day, low price rotation possible, grinding movement is possible within the yesterday's range. तो हम इसको यूज करके डिफरेंट तरीका का ट्रेड करेंगे. ओके, तो इफ यू वांट टू ट्रेड हैप्पीली, डोंट नीड टेंशन एट ऑल, तो इसको अवॉइड कर दो, डू अदर वर्क. ओके, कैन यू टेल मी what is this today's action? And what is this? Now you must come up with a question. आप एक क्वेश्चन के क्वेश्चन लगाना है आपको. What is the difference between open test drive and open auction? Clearly, अभी तक हम open test drive को क्या समझा? That open should be at least above the value area, beyond the value area. Open auction will be the only auction which happens inside the value area. कंफ्यूजन से क्लैरिटी तक. Okay, now open auction is very powerful when the market is sideways. आपको इतना अच्छा ट्रेड मिलेगा, इतना अच्छा ट्रेड मिलेगा, आप इतना बड़ा प्रॉफिट कमा सकते हैं. Yes, live. Yes, exactly. When open auctions happen in the sideways market, you can mint money. You don't need to worry at all. Okay, कैसे mint कर सकते हैं? You will get a maximum failed auction trades. You can get a maximum failed auction at the IV, failed auction at the value area, failed auction at the previous day high low. Malurgan, yes. Inderpal Singh ji, open rejection, whatever the three earlier we have discussed, will happen beyond the value area. Open auction will happen within the value area. Opening, देखो वो सारे तीन का ओपन कहाँ होता है? ओपन मार्केट ओपन विल हैपन beyond the value area, suggesting something change is accepting. People are accepting some change. If the open happening within the value area, it shows the acceptance of the yesterday's range. High and below for open auction. Ajit, can you type once again? Your question is not clear. Sunil, yes, Today is a open auction. Yes, Sangaji.
Uh, Sir, one question, sir. In the four types of auction which are there, sir, sir, we have studied today, sir, that we are having open drive, open test drive, open rejection reverse, and open auction. So, sir, this gets confirmed basically by the fifth or the sixth candle. Is that correct way of looking at it? Because it's the relation of price movement with the initial balance. So,
Once again, repeat.
sir, I am saying that the four types of auction that we studied today, that open drive, open test drive, open rejection reverse, and open auction.
Hmm.
So this, uh, because this is the relation of the price movement to the initial balance, how price is moving with relation to the initial balance. So basically, this all the four types of auction which are there, that open drive, open test drive, this will get confirmed by the fifth or sixth candle. We can be sure what kind of auction is there, like by what time frame we can be reasonably sure, okay, this type of auction may be happening. So that is
You will confirm within the IB. You will get confirmation within the IB.
okay. Okay.
There is no necessity of waiting for third, fourth, fifth candle.
Okay. Okay.
First candle itself you will understand. First bar. Sorry, first bar.
First bar. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And sir, when the O, sir, basically the opening O it is in pink, basically it means that the opening is outside the value area, and anytime O is in orange, it is inside the value area. The opening is inside the value area.
Yes. Yes, Balamrugan, yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Ajit, yes.
Sir, what I understood is open drive is for the only open is equal to high and open is equal to low. So coming to the open test drive, there will be a testing in the value area high and value area low and POC. These three are for the open test drive.
Starting, suppose the price opened below yesterday's total range, then it can test the previous day low or previous day value area low or previous day POC or previous day value area high. Up to till here it is valid. So not till the yesterday's high.
If it is opened below, okay, it's depending on the opening price. Open test
Completely
drive.
beyond the yesterday's range.
Okay, now what is the difference between OTD and OASR? This is what I'm not confusing for.
Simple. That is what I explained. In all the first three, opening will happen beyond the value area, beyond the yesterday's range. But OA opening will happen within the value area.
Okay, now I got it. The opening is based only in the value area range. That is where it may open at VH, POC, and VAN. If it happens, then only we can consider it as OA, open option. So if it is opened upon the range and it comes to that range, then it is called a test drive. Okay, thank you.
Touching any references, Why this touch the any references? To test whether the strong sellers or buyers are there. See, price can open here, yesterday's high. It will try to come down. If it touches value area high of the yesterday, new buyers can enter from here and they can take the price upside. If there is no buyers, fresh buyers, price will be keep sliding down. So this is why price will come down to the reference levels.
So now what is once again this ORR, sir? Can we go for 1 minute? On 4th April, is it an ORR, sir?
Sir, everything which I have explained you before this open action, all those will be happening, opening will be happening in the all those three beyond value area. Only this will be happening within the value area.
Yeah, this is open auction. I'm asking for 4th April, sir. This is beyond opened at beyond value area, and now it has come down and it has created an open
This
what
one.
we call ORR. ORR. This is right.
Yes, this is To understand this, just split it. Now you can understand. Open, rejection, reverse.
Again, right or right.
I hope this is clear. Now, open auction days. If you find open auction days in sideways market, like earlier, I will show you on the chart. It is very, very, very important. See, this makes me to understand market clearly. And most of the time, do you know, I never look at the market profile at all. I never look at the market profile. By just by looking at the opening, you will clearly understand. By experience, you clearly understand. आज क्या हो सकता है, क्या हो सकता है. The one person I know, I don't know his name. This was the mind-blowing trade. I really appreciate his trade. This was the exact trade of me, and he also taken the same trade. So this was the fantastic trade. Just by looking at, you can understand क्या हो सकता है. So this by looking at this, you can understand क्या हो सकता है. The opening will tells you what will happen. Opening itself, it will tell you क्या हो सकता है. So maybe this has happened below value area low. The open has happened below the value area low. So when price opens goes above the previous day, the previous day high will act as the resistance. So that you will understand later. Today, why it went up? तो इसको दूसरे तरीके से समझना है. When the price opens within the value area, that is called as a open auction. Open auction में क्या होना है? Price has to expand like this and go to the top and reverse from here, and it should come to the bottom and should reverse from here. Expansion. But here, this is called very important one time frame. इसको उसको बोलते हैं one time framing. One time framing has happened here. This is a little more advanced to understand the price. One time framing is nothing but the next candle will never break the previous candle. Next candle will never break the previous candle. Next candle low will never break the previous candle. That is what happened today. You can see here high, low, low, higher low, higher low, higher low. Okay, higher low. This is how it is created. One time framing understanding will make you a more confident trader towards the movement of the towards the happening of the one time framing. तो वन टाइम फ्रेमिंग को समझने से आपको क्या होगा, आपको ज्यादा कॉन्फिडेंस मिलेगा टूवर्ड्स द वन टाइम फ्रेमिंग. वन टाइम फ्रेमिंग का मतलब क्या होगा? द प्रेजेंट कैंडल लो विल नेवर ब्रेक द प्रीवियस कैंडल लो. प्रेजेंट लो विल नेवर ब्रेक द, इसका मतलब एवरी कैंडल का लो विल बी हायर देन प्रीवियस कैंडल लो.
It depends on closing, sir.
Yes.
It depends on closing, sir. That is the next candle will not close below the lower candle of previous candle.
It will not break. It will not break. Not closing. It will not break.
Okay.
See, if you look in the market profile, you cannot see the closings. It is clearly a bar. So we will not be worrying of a closing at all in the market profile. Pratik, right? Yes. If you can clearly see the delta, the first bar was with a negative delta, and that was not strong enough. It is later हम इसके बारे में जानेंगे, but clearly you can see very small delta, and you got buying here, you got selling here, you got buying here, you got selling here, you got buying here. Is it not looking very peculiar? So colors are same but still getting different deltas. तो कभी आपको सेलिंग मिल रहा है ना, आप नंबर देखो, लुक एट द नंबर, लुक एट द नंबर, लुक एट द नंबर. कभी बाइंग का डेल्टा आ रहा है ना, तो इसका नंबर देखो, साइज ऑफ द नंबर, साइज ऑफ द नंबर, साइज ऑफ द नंबर. बाद में इधर से आप देख सकते हाउ इट हैज ब्लास्टेड. यस अविनाश, यस यस. आफ्टर हाउ मच टाइम? किरीट पारमर जी, ये समझने के बाद आपको खुद पता चलेगा क्या करना है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, you are understanding the move here, you are understanding the move. When you understanding the move, you will take the direction. Accumulation phase, yes. तो कभी सेलिंग लोग आ रहे हैं ना, all the sellers got exhausted. इसका मतलब कितना, ये अभी हम ऑब्जर्वेशन में बात करेंगे in the order flow. Now here you can understand there are lot of sellers got come into the market, all the sellers got absorbed, only little bit of sellers got left. Every time only little bit of sellers got left, that is no significance. So whenever the buyers jumping and buying, jumping and buying, jumping and buying, and here the accumulation happened. This candle you can see it created a bottom. This candle created a bottom, sorry, this candle created a bottom. Exactly इसका ऊपर buy, इसका नीचे sell, इसके नीचे stop loss. Sell मतलब stop loss. So बाद में this the move we can capture in order. 2 p.m. per 5 minutes time frame. Was there? Yes, Pratik. Yes, it was there. You got 2 trades, Pratik ji. Color of the candle does not matter. Promote. Yes. पवन जी, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, ये सारा कैंडल में कभी सेलिंग हो रहा है, छोटा सेलिंग हो रहा है, बहुत सारे कम लोग बच रहा है सेलिंग में. ओके, तो कभी बाइंग हो रहा है ना, ज्यादा लोग बाइंग कर रहा है, इधर ज्यादा लोग बाइंग कर रहा है. तो ये कैंडल है ना, दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लाइमैक्स कैंडल. ये कैंडल में सारा, इधर तो बचा था, इधर कुछ नहीं बचा. कैंडल बना रेड, फिर भी सेलर्स कुछ भी नहीं बचा. इंस्टेड इसके अंदर मैक्सिमम बायर्स जाके बैठ गए. तो तभी इसका हाई में ब्रेक किया तो आपका बाइंग एंट्री मिलता है, इसका नीचे स्टॉप लॉस लगता है. तो बाद में here why buyers got increased, because so sellers got exhausted. Okay,
Sir, we'll be learning this, how much data should be there in every time frame, that also we'll be learning, sir.
every
Yeah, now we have to check this delta also, that is how much delta should be there to take that trade. That also we will be learning in which time frame.
delta, that will be order flow, that we are taking this for a supporting. Why we are learning both? You can just use a market profile. मैं clearly अभी बोल रहा हूँ, market profile is just understanding of the price and market. It is not a tradable. Clearly you cannot trade using that. Why you cannot clearly trade? If you get a 100 points stop loss, 75 points target, how can you take trade? No, you will get the understanding. अरे इसके ऊपर आपका entry trigger हुआ. It means entry triggered. It is not compulsory to buy. So once entry triggered, this will be the stop loss. If you get any pullback near to your stop loss, you take a trade. It is the understanding. Taking the action is nothing but based on our conviction, based on the risk profile we have. प्रतीक क्या क्वेश्चन है आपके पास?
हेलो सर।
हाँ सर बोलिए।
सर 2 बजे के अराउंड सर, इसमें जो आपने मास्टर क्लास में सर बताया था कि 35K के ऊपर सर हम ट्रेड ले सकते हैं बैंक निफ्टी में 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पर।
हाँ मैं बोला ना सर, दो दो ट्रेड मिला है।
तो हाँ सर, तो इसमें सर एक ये था कि 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम में सर जो गैप था, नेक्स्ट जो कैंडल बना था वो कैंडल रेड बना था।
हाँ
और काफी डिस्टेंस पर सर जो है, जो ट्रिगर आया था वो काफी डिस्टेंस पर आया था, अराउंड 25 मिनट्स के बाद। तो इस
आपको
तरह का
30
ट्रेड
मिनट्स
सर
के
हमें
अंदर,
लेना
30
चाहिए।
मिनट्स के अंदर ट्रिगर हुआ तो आप ट्रेड ले सकते हैं। मैक्सिमम 30 मिनट्स इज द टाइम, नो?
सर एक बार टाइम 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पे जाएंगे।
सर आप ट्रेड ले सकते हैं, यू डोंट नीड टू वेट फॉर मोर देन, मतलब देखो, मे बी दिस वाज द ट्रेड यू गॉट, योर
यस
एंट्री
सर।
ट्रिगर हियर, देन
ये
वेंट अप।
ट्रिगर सर मतलब
इसके ऊपर भी एंट्री ट्रिगर हुआ।
हाँ सर, ये क्लियर ट्रिगर था इधर। बट सर यहाँ पर जो ट्रिगर था वो काफी लेट आया था, तो इस तरह का ट्रिगर कंसीडर करना चाहिए हमें।
यस यस, यू कैन कंसीडर। देखो, तुरंत हो गए तो यू विल, योर कॉन्फिडेंस विल इंक्रीज। अज्यूम
सर
दैट
इस
आपको 1 2 3 4 5 6 कैंडल, कितना टाइम हुआ? 30 मिनट्स। 30
30 मिनट्स हुआ
मिनट्स के
सर।
अंदर ब्रेकआउट आए तो आप ले सकते हैं। सपोज इफ यू फेल्ट, बहुत सारे कैंडल हो गए सर, तो इफ आई डोंट हैव ए कन्विक्शन, आई डोंट हैव ए कॉन्फिडेंस, यू कैन क्लियरली अवॉइड दिस।
तो सर वो कितना कैंडल होना चाहिए कि हम उसको कन्विक्शन, नॉट कन्विक्शन में डाल सकें?
30 मिनट्स, विद इन 30 मिनट्स।
विद इन 30 मिनट्स। अच्छा, 30 मिनट्स की बियॉन्ड चला गया तो छोड़ दें?
हाँ जोड़ दे, वो टारगेट भी जा सकते हैं। वो क्या है ना, आपको फ्रस्ट्रेशन हो जाएगा,
हम्म।
समझा आप?
हम्म।
वेट नहीं करना है कभी, आपका तुरंत ट्रेड एग्जीक्यूट होना है तो टारगेट भी देना है, ऐसा ट्रेड लेना है। मैं माइंड के ऊपर काम करता हूँ। देखो,
हम्म।
वो सारे लेट लेट आपको ट्रेड मिला तो आपको क्या लगेगा? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आपको डाउट आएगा इसके, ये ट्रेड के ऊपर ये चलता है नहीं चलता है, राइट?
यस सर।
हाँ, दैट इज व्हाट आई एम टेलिंग। आपका
सर
मन के ऊपर कंडीशन बोल रहा हूँ, आपको टाइम ज्यादा लग रहा है, नहीं चलेगा ऐसे लगता है ना, तो अवॉइड करो इसको, अवॉइड
ओके
कर
सर।
दो।
सर इसमें सर एक क्वेरी और है, इसे ये 3 अप्रैल को 12:10 पे सर एक इसी तरह का ट्रेड आया था
हम्म,
बैंक निफ्टी में 5 मिनट के टाइम फ्रेम पर।
हम्म।
बट वो ट्रिगर होने के बाद भी सर एग्जीक्यूट नहीं हुआ।
वो क्या, उसका बारे में मैं बाद बाद में, व्हेन आई कम टू ऑर्डर फ्लो आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट, क्योंकि सम ट्रेड्स, दिस काइंड ऑफ ट्रेड्स विल बी, शुड बी अवॉइडेड। वो आपको मैं बोलूंगा, ओके? वो क्यों हुआ, कैसे होता है, कम नहीं लेना है वो। अभी फिल्टर दूंगा मैं, व्हेन आई कम टू ऑर्डर फ्लो।
ओके।
अभी आपको बोल दे तो समझ में नहीं आएगा, ओके?
ओके। ओके सर। ओके।
Now we are moving to next topics. We have finished all the trades of all the four types. अब देखो, once again I am giving you a hint to understand clearly. This is the open drive. Open किया, drive in one side, open test drive, open किया, test किया, drive किया. So whenever there is a open drive, you have a high conviction. It shows you the strength. When you have open test drive, so this also almost near to the open drive. तो ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव कैसे होना है? ओपन होने के बाद ज्यादा मूवमेंट होके बाद में टेस्ट करके नहीं जाना है। Assume that opened at 1 or 2 rupees and tested at 100 rupees and it will be moving. So this can be acceptable. देखो, क्लासिकली लोग क्या बोलते हैं, हाँ ये ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव, ये ओपन ड्राइव। बट व्हाट काइंड ऑफ ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव इज मोर पावरफुल? मोर पावरफुल इज दैट छोटा सा टेस्ट लेना है। ऐसे नहीं कल का हाई का ऊपर ओपन हो गए Price has opened yesterday's high and came down and tested the value area low and went up. All the energy it got in the open got exhausted in the down move. What is there to left to move upside? That test should be happened very nearby. Very small test should be happen. I hope it is clear. Open test drive में power कैसे understand करना है? So which is the strongest open test drive? Which should have a smaller test. It should not have a longer test. बहुत बड़ा movement नहीं होना है opposite direction. कितना लोग कितना हिंदी लोग है आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? The price movement opposite side ज्यादा नहीं होना है, छोटा सा price movement होना है टेस्ट करने के लिए, उधर से भागना है टेस्ट करके. Next one is the open rejection reverse. So you can see here conviction कैसे ये ज्यादा है थोड़ा कम है and this is lesser and is very less. तो इसका हिसाब से आप डिसीजन ले सकते हैं. So these are the four very important. Now we are going to discuss very important. अभी से क्या होता है ना, whatever the things we are discussing from now, we are going to apply in the real time. तो अभी तक हम टूल्स को डिस्कस किया, वो टूल्स को कैसे अप्लाई करते हैं हम इधर डिस्कस कर रहे हैं अभी. दिस इज वाज द रियल ट्रेडिंग स्टार्ट्स नो. Now we are started to discuss about the responsive and initiative activity. So this is where value area low, price opened at the balance में open किया and low को टेस्ट किया, value area low को इधर से रिवर्स किया. This was the responsive activity that will always happen. कहाँ पे होगा responsive activity? Yesterday's high and low में and yesterday's value area का high low and POC में. Sometimes do you know FIS also do responsive activity. वो भी आपके साथ responsive activity में participate करेगा. तो क्यों participate करेगा? क्यों? Can somebody tell me? Why does this FIS or smart money will participate in with you in responsive activities? ये ट्रैप भी हो सकते हैं एंड रैंडमली भी हो सकते हैं. देखो एक्सीडेंटली भी हो सकते हैं. इट कैन बी एक्सीडेंटली, इट कैन बी purposefully. Only two ways. Vicky, good. कभी देखो accumulation will always happen within the value areas, right? अभी आपको कम प्राइस में मिलना है तो कहां पे आप लेते हैं? when there is a fair price, people are selling here, people are selling. क्योंकि इधर पे क्या होगा ना, nobody will get doubted and people are ready to exchange. हाँ, कभी भी आप ये समझना है, exchange or distribution or accumulation will happen within the value area. क्योंकि उधर का किसी को भी पता नहीं चलेगा. Nobody will understand. When price start to move beyond the value area high, beyond the yesterday's high, that is where people start to aggressively act. उधर ही लोग अग्रेसिवली एक्ट करेगा ना। तो कभी प्राइस एसडे का हाई के ऊपर एसडे का लो के नीचे चलेगा जाएगा, तो पीपल विल रश टू ट्रेड। हाँ अविनाश, गुड। This is the responsive traders at a value area high. Now it is the initiative activity. So initiative activity will be understood by the opening of the market. मार्केट ओपनिंग से आपको पता चलेगा इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी कैसा इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी शुरू हुआ है। ओके, इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी विल ऑलवेज हैपन बियॉन्ड द वैल्यू एरिया। कभी भी इनिशिएटिव एक्टिविटी कहां पे होगा? वैल्यू एरिया का बाहर। तो कितना बाहर उतना स्ट्रांग। More far from the value area, more stronger the activity it will be. Okay. Now some people think that, sir, if the price opened beyond the yesterday's value, beyond the yesterday's range, or beyond the yesterday's high low, so then देखो अभी ओपन हो गए ऊपर, then people think that अरे एफएस भाग के आ गए, ये बाई करके लेके जाएगा। If price opens below yesterday's total day, then you will be thinking FIS will come and sell and take the prices down. No, it is wrong. I will give you very secret in the price action. Very secret. FIS will be ready to sell also above the previous day high. FIS will be ready to sell also even above the value area high of the yesterday. Abhijit, yes. वो दोनों काम भी कर सकते हैं। Don't ever keep in your mind, if price opens beyond yesterday's range, buyers will come and take. ऐसे नहीं। Okay, so this you must remember in your mind. हाँ, ये ट्रैप भी हो सकता है अर्जुन, ये ट्रैप भी हो सकता है। See, sometimes what will happen, sometimes I will give you example. देखो एग्जाम्पल्स को अंडरस्टैंड करना बहुत जरूरी है। अर्जुन हैज अ वेरी वैलिड क्वेश्चन। Why I am very fond of this trade, which some of our student has done, because he see understanding this price action is that should have some kind of clear understanding or some experience or observing the market. This is the price action, which is very important. तो प्राइस क्लियरली ओपन यस्टरडेस लो, यस्टरडेस का लो के नीचे ओपन हुआ एंड इसका नीचे ओपन हुआ, तो क्या करना है? एफआईएस गॉट जॉइंट द पार्टी। तो आपका हिसाब से आप ऐसे सोचते हैं, नो पीपल विल सेल, एफआईएस विल बी सेलिंग एंड प्राइस विल बी फॉलिंग। बट क्या हुआ? दोस पीपल टुक द प्राइसेस अपसाइड, क्रिएटेड ए ट्रैप, एंड नेक्स्ट डे इतना पावरफुली ये ट्रैप बनाए, प्राइस ओपन यस्टरडेस हाई। All this negativity is turned into positive because of this trap. Sellers always sell at the higher price. Yes, Avinash, good. Balamurugan. When the price opened beyond yesterday's range, Balamurugan. When the price opened beyond the yesterday's range, this is the open happened beyond the yesterday's range. So this happened below yesterday's range. It means you are thinking FIS got entered and they will take the prices down by selling. But what I am trying to say here, FIs also take opposite to your intention. They can also take the prices opposite to your intention. They can buy below yesterday's low. They can also sell below yesterday's high. Okay. These are all the benefits of understanding market profile. Okay. Balamurugan, yes, yes. They are the creators of the market. They are the creators of the low. They are the creators of the high. Now, what is the time? Okay. So, do you have any queries? Do you have any questions on this? Now I will take questions. Yes. All of you raise your hand. I am switching off this comments. Okay. मैं messages को off कर रहा हूँ. So you can ask in phone. Okay. आप बात कीजिए. Please raise your hand. I will unmute step by step, one by one. Ajit, yes.
Sir, what happens is that while studying, it's okay. But when it comes to market in live session, sometimes you are unable to predict that, or we are unable to, what we say, called apply this, whatever you teaching. Suppose it's a moderate itself, we have 2 days. That is, one is moderate IB trend day and moderate IB non-trending day. So it's somewhat difficult to for us to identify that which is the trendy day and which will. And also what we have seen is according to your previous classes in the IB, if the AB is okay, but if the C is failed an auction because let's say it has broken the IB's low. So can we consider it as an failed auction because it's let's say it's returned from VAH or something else.
Can you show me the chart if you can?
I think we can go for Nifty. Nifty happens most of lot.
Yes.
See on the Tuesday 22nd April, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah, the C has broken slightly the IB range. So now can I go for a failed option trade, but that is after C above high and keeping the C as a stop loss for the whole day, or it will be changing later?
Is this you are saying?
Yeah, that's one. Sir.
It is not broken the A.
Okay.
IB is not broken. It is broken by D.
Yeah, this is what I am asking. See, now the C has formed low, but the D has broken it. Still, it is valid there for open option. Sorry, that failed option.
Yes, any letter can break the IB. There is no compulsory that C has to break. Okay, IB can be broken by any letter. Maybe D, maybe E, maybe F, maybe G, whatever.
So, okay, whichever the broken, we have to take that candle high and low for the trade, right, sir? Okay. Okay, take it. Now I got that.
And one more thing, listen here. Thanks for a good question. What kind of auction has happened? What type of auction it is?
It's opened at value areas, so it's an open auction.
Open auction. In open auction, what kind of trades we will take?
An open auction at references. That is the range. First of all, it will be creating a range, and only within that range we will be taking that trade.
Open auction, we will be taking trades at the value at the range of the yesterday's high and low.
Okay.
Okay. Now, whenever price opens within the value area, it shows a balance. Okay. In the balance, we are going to take a trade which is a mean reversal trade. Everybody listen, please. It is very important. Mean reversal trade is the fantastic trade where you can make a big money, easy money. So how can you understand that? So whenever balance opening happens, no. So when price moves in an opposite direction, when the trend is like that, maybe when the trend is like this, when price opens here and price moves opposite to the direction of the trend, sometimes it can move up to the yesterday's high, and create a failed auction, maybe by using only one print upside. So I think one person is there here, Sridhar or somebody. He has a very good clue how to trade that kind of. So what you can do is, here is the example. Mean reversion trades are the trades price want to come to the balance again. It become imbalance and come to the balance again. It opens here. It is a balance opening. It came outside of the yesterday's range. Now printed only one. Maximum it can print a 2. You can print up to 2. Can be acceptable. Then it tries to go upside and closes. Then you can take a trade almost near by keeping stop loss below one more print, and you can wait for the price to come to the opening. I hope you understood. तो जिन लोगों ने, कितना लोगों ने हिंदी लोग है, प्लीज सुनो इधर. कभी भी ओपन वैल्यू एरिया का अंदर होता है ना, कभी वैल्यू एरिया का अंदर होता है, लुक एट द ट्रेंड. पहला इसका ट्रेंड को देखिए. इफ द ट्रेंड इज अपसाइड, ओके, एंड अभी इसका ओपन वैल्यू एरिया का अंदर हो गए. अभी इसका प्राइस इसका अप ट्रेंड का अपोजिट मूव करेगा, नीचे तक मूव करेगा. कभी ऐसा मूव करेगा तो जब ये प्राइस यस्टरडे का लो को ब्रेक करता है ना, तभी उधर से 1-2 प्रिंट, मैक्सिमम 2 प्रिंट बना के उधर से रिवर्स मार सकता है मैक्सिमम. इसको बोलते हैं मीन रिवर्सल. मीन रिवर्सल मतलब, मीन मतलब मीडियन, पेयर उधर से बाहर आ गए तो अभी उसका घर जाना चाहते हैं. ये ट्राई टू इम्बैलेंस करने के लिए ट्राई किया, फिर भी फेल होकर अंदर चले गए. अभी ये ओपन के तरफ, ओपन के जगह, ओपन का प्राइस के तरफ जाके उधर रुक सकते हैं, और इट कैन टच दैट लेवल. तो तभी हम क्या कर सकते हैं, ये फेल्ड ऑप्शन का ट्रेड ले सकते हैं. You can also go to a lower time frame like 5 minutes. You can wait by drawing this when the open auction happens. कभी भी open auction आता है ना, तो high low mark करके बैठो. If you know better price action, go to the lower time as it possible. Later when you learn the order flow, use that order flow also to find out the fake break. तो उसको find out करो, उधर ही घुस जाओ ट्रेड में टुवर्ड्स मीन रिवर्सन. आपको इतना पैसे मिलेगा, इट इज वेरी इजी. यू कैन फाइंड आउट एनी काइंड ऑफ failed actions. It is easy to understand when you understand the traps. Okay, तो मीन रिवर्सन कहाँ पे है? Here you can ask me question, अरे ये क्या सर इससे हो गया इधर, ये नहीं दिया ट्रेड करके. This is a different scenario where price opened here and came out of the IB, came out of the previous day range in the first bar itself. IB में ही इसका बाहर आ गए, दूर चले गए, बहुत दूर चले गए. So इसको बोलते हैं escaping from the velocity. Escaping from the velocity मतलब it has to return back. इसका कोई पर्दी रहेगा, पर्दी मतलब देर इज ए सम स्पेस वेयर दिस बैलेंस कैन अट्रैक्ट द प्राइस. तो ये कहां तक चले गए, इसका भी दूर चले गए, एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम द वेलोसिटी. इसको बोलते हैं एस्केप्ड, एस्केपिंग वेलोसिटी, एस्केप्ड फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस अट्रैक्शन जोन. Okay, that is where it got filled. And there is one more thing here to understand. कभी भी आपको ऐसा एग्जॉशन बनता है ना, दिस इज अ वेरी पावरफुल एग्जॉशन. इट लुक्स लाइक ए पूर हाई, इट लुक्स लाइक ए पूर हाई. दिस विल बी वेरी रेयर. So when price escape from here to upside, this will act as a strong support. तो नीचे पे ऐसा बन सकते हैं, that will act as a strong resistance. प्राइस इधर से नीचे आ गए तो दिस वुड हैव क्रिएटेड ए स्ट्रांग रेजिस्टेंस अपसाइड. ओके, कभी भी आपको ऐसे मिलता है तो इसको याद रख लेना, दैट विल बी ए रेफरेंस पॉइंट, वेरी स्ट्रांग रेफरेंस पॉइंट. ओके, हाँ ज्योति.
थैंक यू सर. सर मैं थैंक्स करना चाहूँगा आपको. आप सारे टॉपिक्स काफ़ी डिटेल में और सबकी क्वेरीज को साथ साथ क्लियर करते हुए चल रहे हैं. बट सर एक जो मेरे को डाउट हो रहा है वो ये, आज जो हमने कवर, आज तक जो कवर किया है आपने, दैट वाज पार्ट ऑफ टिल सेकंड सेशन और हम आज फोर्थ सेशन पे हैं. तो जो बाकी के रिमेनिंग टॉपिक्स हैं वो क्या रिमेनिंग क्लासेस में पूरे होंगे या एक्सटेंड होगा?
नहीं, मार्केट प्रोफाइल का आज खत्म हो गए.
आज खत्म हो गया, बट इट वाज प्लान्ड टिल सेकंड क्लास ओनली और आज फोर्थ क्लास है.
इसे नहीं देखो, हम उधर तो आपको टाइम टेबल दिया है, तो
Yes.
इतना शॉर्ट में मैं एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर सकता हूँ.
करेक्ट.
वो तो सिखाना है तो दिल से सिखाना, अच्छे से सिखाना.
वो
अभी 1-2 क्लास एक्स्ट्रा भी होता है ना, मैं ले सकता हूँ, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम. बट अप टू हियर हैज कवर्ड रिमेनिंग टॉपिक है ना, वो रिमेनिंग सेशन में कवर होगा क्लियरली.
हाँ, बस मैं वही कह रहा था सर, आपने टॉपिक्स को काफी अच्छे से हर एक के डाउट को क्लियर करते हुए आपने समझाया हमारे को. बट मेरे को ये एक अप्रीहेंशन था कि बाकी के क्लासेस में 3 क्लासेस रह गए, उसमें 5 क्लासेस का कोर्स कवर हो जाएगा क्या,
हाँ हो जाएगा.
या आगे भी
तीन
एक्सटेंड हो
क्लासेस में
जाएगा,
आपका ऑर्डर फ्लो कवर हो जाएगा.
या आगे एक्सटेंड होंगी क्लासेस?
नहीं, एक्सटेंड नहीं, मैक्सिमम इम्पोर्टेंट है मार्केट को अंडरस्टैंड करना.
सर वही इम्पोर्टेंट है, उसी
इसके
को.
लिए मैं इसको ज्यादा टाइम दिया. बहुत सारा नया लोग होता है तो उसको मार्केट के बारे में पता नहीं. लोग ऐसे सोचते हैं तो सारे कैसे अच्छा सा ऐसा स्ट्रेटेजी दे देगा, ब्रेकआउट ले आ गए तो ट्रेड लेना, ऐसे कभी भी नहीं होता है. मार्केट को समझना ही है.
करेक्ट.
मार्केट को
लेकिन सर
समझने
आगे भी
के
जो
बाद
आप
आप कुछ कर
समझाएंगे
सकते
उसमें भी सबके डाउट्स रहेंगे. ऐसे डिटेल्ड क्लास ही मैं एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि रहेगी, सबके किसी का भी कोई डाउट नहीं रहेगा.
हो. हाँ
तो
हाँ, मैं
उसके लिए मैं रिक्वेस्ट ये कर रहा था कि अभी आगे भी आप ऐसे ही प्लीज डिटेल्ड क्लासेस ही लें.
my intention is to, you must not be a student to copy. मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ वही कॉपी करेंगे. आज सर ने इधर ब्रेकआउट ट्रेड बोला था, इधर लेंगे, कभी भी ऐसे नहीं. You have to understand the market. When you understand, you can take your own decision.
राइट सर.
Just like Pawan was asking multiple times, so I remember each and every student's name. So he will be asking always whenever teach a breakout का बारे में बोलता, हाँ sir, risk is more sir, रिस्क इज मोर सर। तो रिस्क इज मोर है तो क्या, इट इज अप टू यू टू टेक द ट्रेड, it is up to you to wait for the pullback to reduce the trade risk. It is up to our hand. Market will not permit us to listen to our words. तो ऐसे बनते रहेगा. It is we to adjust to the market.
हम्म.
It is not compulsory to take a trade every day.
करेक्ट सर.
It is not compulsory to take a trade on every setup.
सर मेरे
maybe
को बस एक यही कंसर्न था कि बाकी
people
की
are there
क्लासेस में हम हर्षअप ना करें. सिर्फ 3 क्लासेस रह गए उसमें सारा कोर्स कवर करने का हर्षअप ना करें. जैसे आप अभी डिटेल में हमारे को समझा रहे हैं, सबके पॉइंट्स कवर कर रहे हैं, वैसे ही प्लीज आप ध्यान रखिए.
अभी रिमेनिंग क्या है ना, हाउ टू टेक ट्रेड इज द रिमेनिंग. वो
करेक्ट.
कितना बहुत बड़ा नहीं, तो समझना ही बड़ा है.
ओके सर. थैंक यू सर.
ओके सर. अविनाश.
हेलो
हाँ सर बोलिए.
सर, आप अच्छा पढ़ा रहे हैं सर. मैं तो पूरा क्लास अटेंड भी नहीं कर पाता हूँ 2-2 घंटे का, क्योंकि मेरा ऑफिस रहता है. लेकिन सर मैं जितना लास्ट में अटेंड करता हूँ बीच में, सर अच्छी बात यह है कि आपकी 1 घंटे की क्लास छूट भी जाती है, उसके बाद भी समझ में आने लगता है सर. ठीक है. तो अब अभी मेरे को रिवर्स जाके आपके वीडियोस देखने पड़ेंगे एक दो फिर से, क्योंकि रिवाइज करना है मार्केट प्रोफाइल को. सर दूसरा सर मेरा ये कहना है सर कि जो आज आपने बताया है सर, जो एक्चुअल ट्रेडिंग में काम आएगा लास्ट में जो आपने बताया सर. और मैंने सर आपका आज एक ट्रेड लिया था सर, आईबी पे अकेला सर. सेंसेक्स में, सेंसेक्स का एक्सपायरी था सर आज. ठीक है. मैंने सिर्फ आईबी पे ट्रेड लिया था सर, कोई और स्ट्रेटेजी यूज नहीं किया था, जस्ट चेक करने के लिए कि कितना परसेंट रिटर्न आ रहा है सर. मेरे को 35% रिटर्न आया विद इन, और सर बहुत स्कैल्पिंग की थी बस अकेली. 35% रिटर्न आ गया सर. 217 पे बाई किया था और 287 पे सेल कर दिया था सर.
ओके नाइस.
तो वो आईबी के नीचे को टच किया, मुझे लगा कि नेक्स्ट कैंडल 1 मिनट का लगाया मैंने, और वो ब्रेक करा उसको, तो मैंने फिर सर रखा रहा. और जैसे ही वो सर प्राइस पीओसी पे पहुंचा तो मुझे लगा कि ये यहाँ से रिवर्स हो सकता है, तो मैंने सेल कर दिया सर वहां.
तो आज का आप वॉच करो, ये रिकॉर्डिंग वॉच करो, मे बी आप लेट से आए तो आज
सर
का आपको बहुत ज्यादा क्लैरिटी देगा. सेम ट्रेड के ऊपर बहुत अच्छा सा क्लैरिटी देगा.
सर
तो
सर सर
वन टाइम फ्रेम का बारे में बात किया हूं मैं, तो उसको थोड़ा समझो, आपको समझ में आ जाएगा अभी. अच्छा, फाइन ट्यून कैसे कर सकते हैं उसको.
और सर ये है कि आप जितने पॉइंट्स बताते हैं सर, असल में क्या है, मैं बहुत दिन से मार्केट को देख रहा हूँ सर. मतलब कैंडल स्टिक पैटर्न देख रहा हूँ करीब पिछले 6 महीने सर. रोज देखता हूँ 6-6, 7-7 घंटे मार्केट को सर. तो मेरा सर ये रहता है कि सर बहुत सारी चीजें माइंड में, मतलब स्क्रीनर्स दिमाग में चलते रहते हैं कि ये तो नहीं क्रिएट हो रहा, ये तो नहीं आ रहा, वो तो नहीं आ रहा. बहुत सारी चीजें रहती हैं कि अभी आपने मार्केट प्रोफाइल का इतना वास्ट बता दिया. तो सर मेरा मतलब ऐसा है कि लास्ट में सर आप थोड़ा सा जिस्ट बता दें सर, कंक्लूजन टाइप का, कि जब भी आप ट्रेड लें तो इन चीजों का बहुत ध्यान रखें. तो सर हम लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा रहेगा. लॉसेस कम होंगे सर. मैं ऑलरेडी 1.5 लाख के लॉस में हूँ, तो लॉसेस कम होंगे सर, और मतलब हम लोग अच्छे से परफॉर्म कर पाएंगे
और
मार्केट में.
आप अच्छा सा लॉस रिकवर करना है तो फील्ड ब्रेकआउट्स या फेक ब्रेकआउट्स की तरफ अच्छे से ध्यान रखो, उसको थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करो. ओके. तो मैं अभी एक क्लू दूंगा. ओपन ऑप्शंस को, ओपन ऑप्शन कभी होता है ना, ओपन ऑप्शन फेल होता है. जस्ट लाइक ओपन ऑप्शन का बहुत अच्छा सा प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. ऐसा ऐसे देखो, अब अच्छा सा ऐसा एक ट्रेड मिल गया तो बस, अच्छा सा ऐसा ट्रेड मिल गया तो देखो, ये दिन बहुत अच्छा सा प्रॉफिट मिला. मैं वैल्यू एरिया को नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. तो कभी भी आपको एसडेस रेंज ब्रेक किया ना, तो वो ट्रेड आप फाइंड आउट करो, छोटा सा टाइम फ्रेम पे एंट्री ले लो, तो आपको बहुत बड़ा पैसे मिलेगा. दिस इज हाउ आई ट्राई टू टेक अ वेरी गुड कॉन्फिडेंस ट्रेड्स. मेरा ट्रेड करने का तरीका ऐसे. मैं वेट करके ट्रेड लेता हूँ, ऐसे नहीं घुस जाके ट्रेड नहीं लेता हूँ. आई विल बी कीप वाचिंग हाउ मार्केट विल रेस्पेक्ट द लेवल्स, हाउ इट विल एक्ट, बाद में मैं ट्रेड लेता हूँ. ये संगत जी.
सर मेरा वॉइस ऑडिबल है?
यस यस.
यस सर. सर एक सर जो क्वेरी थे सर, जैसे जो हम कहते हैं कि यस्टरडे रेंज इंपॉर्टेंट होता है ओपन ऑक्शन के लिए, तो सर यस्टरडे रेंज से हमारा रेफरेंस है प्रीवियस डे हाई माइनस प्रीवियस डे लो, या फिर यस्टरडे का वैल्यू एरिया हाई माइनस वैल्यू एरिया लो?
ये 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 यस यस बोलिए.
हाँ, तो सर जैसे आपने ये जो मार्क कर दिया बेसिकली वैल्यू एरिया हाई वैल्यू एरिया लो एंड प्रीवियस डे हाई प्रीवियस डे लो, तो रेंज अपना ओवरऑल रेफर कर रहा है ना सर, प्रीवियस डे हाई माइनस प्रीवियस डे लो, वो क्वेरी था.
माइनस कुछ नहीं सर इसमें, कोई माइनस नहीं है. एरिया बोल रहा हूँ, ये एरिया ये एरिया ये एरिया ये एरिया, दिस आर द रिवर्सल लोकेशंस.
ओके, मतलब ओके, हाँ मतलब बिकॉज ये इंपॉर्टेंट लेवल्स हैं, सो दे आर ऑल द रिवर्सल. ओके
वो
सर
कैंडल में हाई लो मिलेगा सिर्फ, तो कैंडल में वैल्यू एरिया कभी भी नहीं मिलेगा और पीओसी नहीं मिलेगा. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इंफॉर्मेशन.
ओके 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 सर, और जो हम कहते हैं कि जो हमारा वैल्यू एरिया है, वैल्यू एरिया इज बेसिकली द रेंज ऑफ वैल्यू एरिया हाई एंड वैल्यू एरिया लो.
हाँ.
ओके ओके सर, और एक सर ये जो ओपन ऑक्शंस सर आज हमने स्टडी किया, तो बेसिकली ओपन ऑक्शंस में देर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ द ओपन ऑक्शन: ओपन ड्राइव, ओपन टेस्ट ड्राइव, ओपन रिजेक्शन रिवर्स, एंड लास्ट में उसका सर नेम फिर से ओपन ऑक्शन था, तो वो सर थोड़ा सा एक लगा कि एक्चुअली टर्मिनोलॉजी रिपीट हो गई, तो वहां पे स्लाइटली कंफ्यूजन कॉज हुआ था. बट आई थिंक वो मतलब ओपन ऑक्शन इज ऑल्सो
ओपन
टाइप ऑफ
ऑक्शन
ओपन
मतलब
ऑक्शन, आई
उधर
थिंक फिर.
ओपन करके ऑक्शन हो रहा है, कुछ रिवर्सल नहीं, रिजेक्शन नहीं, कुछ नहीं.
ओके ओके जी सर. हाँ मतलब कि नो नो पर्टिकुलर, जैसे आपने सर ये सही वे में सर आपने एक कह दिया कि नो पर्टिकुलर एक्शन, तो
हम्म.
इसको सर हम ऐसे याद सर कर लेते
नहीं,
हैं बिकॉज.
आप कुछ भी याद रखो, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट. आप खुद खुद का नाम रख लो, नो प्रॉब्लम. फॉर यूर अंडरस्टैंडिंग पर्पस खुद का नाम रख लो, नॉट ए प्रॉब्लम. ऐसे नहीं, जस्ट अंडरस्टैंड द कॉन्सेप्ट.
ओके ओके
बस. सचिन जी. सचिन, पंकज जी.
Sir, am I audible?
यस यस.
Okay. I had two questions. One was both are specific to 3rd April. So, if you look at 3rd April, one you suggested a trade, I think around 1 p.m. or 1:30 p.m. After your live class in Nifty.
हाँ.
So, was that only based on market profile, or did you have any other logic when you suggested that trade? Wanted to understand that one.
4 अप्रैल आज कितना है, तो कल.
Third April, no? 3rd April, I guess.
हाँ, मैं आपको सच मैं लाइव में बोला था ना, लाइव में मैं बोला था क्लियरली.
जस्ट हमारा लाइव क्लास खत्म हुआ उसके बाद आपने डाला था.
नहीं, आप मैं आपको बोला, जिन लोगों ने अटेंड नहीं किया उसके लिए मैं पोस्ट भी कर दिया, तो सेम
ओके,
बोला था मैं. बैंक निफ्टी को भी सेल किया था और निफ्टी को भी सेल किया था.
राइट, अराउंड 1 o'clock.
हाँ.
सो
इसका मैं एक्सप्लेनेशन भी दिया था क्यों हम सेल करना है. आप क्लियरली देखो, आज का पढ़ाई के ऊपर, आज का पढ़ाई के ऊपर ओपन नीचे हुआ, इट मींस ओपन हैपेंड बिलो यस्टरडेज रेंज, इट मींस somebody is interested to create imbalance. पहला तो बैलेंस में था, अभी imbalance, तो वो प्राइस क्यों नीचे किया है? he wanted to sell forcefully, he wanted to take the price down. Now he took the prices down at the opening itself, the price is starting to go up. Now इधर से कितना भागा है? It covered yesterday's high range.
राइट,
Now it got exhausted to cover the yesterday's high range. इधर से बाहर से फिर भी ऊपर उल्टा गए 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 इधर तक गए, where it has created yesterday's high. So when it goes here from this location in a single day, definitely he got exhausted for a temporary time. मैं कभी भी बोलता हूँ, इसको रिमेंबर करो, always remember this word. Never ever take the trades for the reversals. कभी भी ऐसा नहीं मानना है. कभी भी people take the trades here thinking that इधर से रिवर्सल हो जाए, गिर गए 1000 पॉइंट. It is a responsive level. It will respond. तो क्या रेस्पॉन्ड करेगा? नीचे से गया तो लात मारेगा, अरे जाओ घर बोलेगा, और इधर से हाथ जाता वो घर करके छोटा नीचे आएगा. Again it can go upside, but it will respond to this slap. I hope you can understand. ये बात कोई भी नहीं बोलेगा. See, trading is nothing but responding to the references. दिखाने वाला लोग बाहर बहुत बड़ा बड़ा दिखाता है ना, दैट इज जस्ट फॉर लुकिंग पर्पस, बट रियलिटी में ट्रेड करने के लिए आप इसको रेस्पॉन्स जैसा मांगना है, ये रेस्पॉन्स को कैप्चर करना है, पैसे बनाना है. तो इधर इधर से गिर जाना वो सभी नहीं सोचना है. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, ये रियलिटी है. तो कभी भी इफ यू ट्रेड इन एनी रेफरेंसेस, ट्राई टू कैप्चर द पॉइंट्स, ट्राई टू कैप्चर द प्रॉफिट्स. ओके, डोंट एक्सपेक्ट टू द रिवर्स. तो बाद में आपको अभी एक सिग्नल मिलेगा तो उधर पे ट्रेड लेना. ऐसा मॉडरेट मॉडरेट प्रॉफिट बना के प्रॉफिट्स बढ़ाना. ऐसा नहीं कभी भी बहुत बड़ा टारगेट के लिए वेट करना. हाँ, अंगद, आई हैव स्पोकन टू, आई थिंक. So
one more thing, so on Bank Nifty, you mentioned that one of your students, bought a trade in the morning based on 1st April का levels.
इसी ग्रुप में है वो स्टूडेंट, इसका नाम मैं भूल गया. He will be very active today. He is not there, I think. H से शुरू होगा इसका नाम. He is not there.
अभिजीत और प्रफुल्ल.
हाँ, अभिजीत नहीं, is some different person. कल आएगा ना, उसका बोलूंगा. I did not read his name.
सर
हाँ, गणेश जी.
Good evening, sir.
हाँ, good evening, sir. बोलिए.
Thank you so much for a fantastic session.
ಮಂಗಳೂರು ಅವರಲ್ವಾ ನೀವು?
ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್, ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಸೈಜ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಎಟ್ ಪ್ರತಿ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 15 ನಿಮಿಷ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಸಿ 9:15, ಅದರ ನಂತರ ಬಂದ್ರೆ 9:45 ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ is it right to say that it's 30 minutes or is it 15 minutes candle each? ನೀವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ನೋಡಿ 9:15, ಅದರ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಐ ಮೀನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಆ ಟೈಮ್ ಫ್ರೇಮ್ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಫುಲ್ ಸಿ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಸರ್ ಇದು 9:15 is the starting time.
Right.
Okay. When it ends, it will be 9:45 and another candle starts.
Right. ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು 30 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸರ್? ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ 15 ಮಿನಿಟ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಹೌ ಡು ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿಸ್?
ಅಲ್ಲ, 9:15 to 9:45 is 30 minutes.
Oh, okay, like that.
9:15 ಇಂದ 9:45 ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಇದು
Okay.
So 9:45 ಇದು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Okay. I got confused because time frame ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ 9:50, 9:45, 10:15 ಈ ತರ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅದು. So that is where I got slightly confused. ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So thank you so much. Thank you.
ಇಂದ್ರಕಾಂತಿ ರಾವ್. Abhijit ji.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir. Thank you once again for this rich knowledge which you have given us today. I just have a very short questions. Now, one is a very simple thing that, see, when we are entering, when you are entering into a trade, whether it's a failed auction at the previous year's high or at the value low or value high. Now, see, we go by the candles. Now, if you can kindly show by way of illustration, at what point shall we take the trade? Whether there is a confirmation candle which engulfs the zone, or what is it like?
In failed action.
Sorry, sir.
In which setup you are saying? In
Failed auction, yeah.
The failed action is very simple. You are going to mark the 2 bars high and low. It is a IB. Okay. Any bar it falls beyond the IB. Okay. See, here it is forming below. Now, when the bar is breaking the IB downside, its low should not be broken by any of the other bars.
Okay.
But the high should be broken. In next bar, when the high breaks, this is your buy trade. Suppose
so we take
not happen, only upside broken. Now its high should not be broken by any other bars, but its low should be broken.
Low, sorry, high should not be broken, but the low should be. Sorry, I couldn't catch the last word you said.
IB has broken the high. When it has broken the high, to call this as a failed action, further its high should not be broken. Its low should be broken.
Okay. So we take the trade where at the
low of the
where you are showing the cost.
Below
we enter here.
Below the low of this.
Below the low of this. Okay. And here on the downside, what you are shown, that is on the
buy side.
High of that.
High of that. Its low should not be broken by any candle.
Okay. So I got it, sir. Thank you. And the other point which I'd like to ask, sir, this open auction which you said, now the open auction, there should be a trend along with that. There should be an uptrend or a downtrend.
Favor to the trend, it works very well.
Favorable to that. Okay.
Easy to trade also.
And okay. And the last question which I should like to ask is that this AI, what an AI, actually I have done the KYC, but still I have not in the group.
Sir, it is not belong to me. It is belong to
Future.
Okay.
Send a query to him too also. So maybe
it will give you buy and sell, sir. Simple. It will give you buy and sell recommendations. It is a SEBI register. Because we should not provide buy and sell because we are not SEBI registered.
Okay. So future I have to ask them. I've already sent a message to them, but still I have not got any response.
You will, maybe I will talk to them.
Class.
Nipish.
Hi, sir. Good evening.
Good evening.
Sir, I have two questions regarding this one. First question is, why this can be useful in option trading? And the second question is, today you talk about the OTF. When we look into the candle G and H, which is closing below of the low of the previous candle. So why this is we are neglecting and expecting that it will go, market will go up? So these are my two questions.
Repeat that question.
Last question. When we are looking at the G and H candle.
Wait. I will switch on this and
today's G and H. Buying Nifty. Buying Nifty.
Today was a IB breakout trade. When you take a IB breakout, make sure that IB is already yesterday's high. IB is formed already above the yesterday's high. So that yesterday's high should not be the immediate resistance. So what will happen? IB is below the yesterday's high. As soon as you get entry, there are high chances yesterday's high will act as a resistance.
Okay.
So that is the reason. Wait for the breakout of the yesterday's high. Two breakouts you need. Because the IB is within yesterday's high, you must get a breakout of the IB and also the breakout of the yesterday's high. Your trade will be triggered once the yesterday's high broken.
So yesterday's high means yesterday it was around 48,322, right? So it is break on D collar, and after that F, G is closing below of that one. F candle in each, and it's also followed the same day. Then it is started shooting up.
After break of D will be your entry.
Break, but that time G and H is below of yesterday's previous high.
Yes.
So in that condition, why should we expect that it will move upside? So why can't it come down?
Yes, that can also be yes, right. You can also anticipate. So how you should not anticipate when you look the OTF one time framing.
Okay.
Especially I told you. This is called one time frame.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is followed
in
till
such
left.
cases, in such cases, it is not letting the previous low get failed. It's not letting the previous low get failed. That is the reason price is pushing the upside. Whenever you see this kind of prints, okay, so this like just like a poor highs, okay, same highs. Chances prices will reverse from here very strongly, or if it breaks this high, definitely it will shoot up.
Okay.
So that is the reason I told whenever you see this kind of
continuation.
Definitely. Because it created a higher highs, we did not take trade.
Okay. Every time the low is getting much powerful, low base.
It's sustained.
Okay.
That is the reason we did not take it.
Okay.
Suppose if the low of this broken, suppose if the low of this broken without the breaking high, we could have taken a sell trade without thinking a second thought.
Okay.
We could have taken a sell trade with a stop loss about this.
Okay, fine.
Or one more thing you can understand. After the breaking of this low, you felt the risk is higher. After the breaking of the low, wait for the retest.
Okay.
Nearby your stop loss level. Take the sell.
Okay. Okay, we should take the trade after I think so, right? In this case.
After breaking the low, on the retest, you can take a sell trade
Okay,
near to the stop loss. Stop loss will be always kept the highest point of the day. You keep your stop loss here, your stop here, and cover the trade near to this.
It can, okay.
Means when it has created this poor loss, the chances will reach to this level, and from it will reverses.
Okay.
So these are all the techniques you can use.
Okay, fine. Sir, my first question you didn't answer for that.
What is your question?
First question I asked, the futures and options, this trading pattern is almost similar.
No. Don't plot this on the options.
Okay, why? Why we can't use this in option?
See, this bank futures and spot is you don't have the decay for this.
Okay, fine.
Even for futures, you have a little bit decay, but that is not so significantly changing. But in options, if you give time, the price will reduce. The real
that is
price
true.
which is at the 100 rupees is not real. See, if bank nifty is at a 48,700 at 10 a.m. and the 48,700 call option value will be 100 rupees.
I understood that one.
If you leave the price 48,700 and stay it for at least 11 a.m. till 11 a.m.
Yeah,
this
price
price
will
will
come
become
down.
80 rupees.
Yeah, right. You're right.
So that is the reason we cannot consider the options.
Option. Okay.
Not
So
only
in
here,
future,
we cannot consider options to any technical analysis until
okay.
unless it should be with the high volatility. It should be with the high momentum.
One thing, Shuk, I never trade in future. I always trade in options. So I don't know how to trade in future. So what will be the minimum quantity which
This
we need
level
to?
only you are going to trade. Whenever the level break, you
Ah.
are taking the entry in the options.
Mhm.
Whenever it comes to the pullback, you are taking options entry. It is very
Okay.
easy. Just like a plot both this, and
Mhm.
whenever this reaches the resistance, whenever
Mm.
that comes to the support, you take a buy.
Okay, fine. Sir, can I add one more question?
Mhm.
So if we need to buy option, I think very less money is required to have some volume. So what will be in the future? Because I never touched the future segment, so I don't know about anything in future.
Future requires more capital.
More money. Yeah, that's why.
It's better to trade in options only.
Option. Okay, fine. Because I lost a
Start
couple
with
of
the
amounts.
two lots. You start with the 2 lots.
Which one, sir?
Bank Nifty.
Bank
After
Nifty.
getting confidence, you can go up to 10 lots, 20 lots. You can trade up to 25 lots without much fear.
No, I don't have that much money. I had, but once upon a time I lost.
Sir, maximum it requires 4,000 per lot. 4,000 per.
Yeah. 90% of money I lost almost last 6
If
to
you
7
trade in
months.
10 lots, even still you need to invest 40K maximum.
Yeah. That money right now I can trade that with that money. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Welcome.
Yeah.
Kiranji?
Yeah, sir. Hi, good evening, sir.
Yes.
So I just wanted to ask you about the that you started with open test drive and open rejection reverse. So the difference is just that they both open and they both move in one direction. Just the movement is different. The open test will be moving little, and the open rejection will be moving more than the test drive. Is it right, sir?
Opening of the price will be beyond the value area, beyond the value area or beyond yesterday's range, and it will test the previous supports and move towards the purpose. तो क्यों ओपन हुआ ये बाहर ऊपर जाने के लिए, तो डायरेक्टली ऊपर नहीं गए, पहला टेस्ट किया एंड बाद में गए. It is the open test drive. Open rejection reverse is it opened and directly try to go in the direction which it opened and not able to go up. From here it reversed.
Okay,
It's called
got it, sir.
open rejection reverse.
Okay, perfect.
Okay.
So this trades would be at the opening only, like right at
Opening.
9:15 only I can start the trading for this trades.
When open happens, a test here and try to break out the high of this will be your entry. This will be your stop loss.
Yeah. Okay. Perfect, sir. Sir,
This
and
can happen
about
within 1 minute. This can happen within 2 minutes. This can happen within 5 minutes.
yeah, so it would be a small trade with a small time frame. Okay, sir, and the other I wanted to ask you about the trend day that you've taught us. So on that I have to wait for the IB and then the third candle. So that means the trade would execute for me to take the trade. That would be like after 10:45, not before that, right?
Yes. IB
Okay,
will
so
confirm you what kind of day it is going to be. You need to wait for any bar to be cross above the IB, provided this IB should be beyond the yesterday's range, or if the IB is within the yesterday's range, you need to wait for one more confirmation. It should break the IB high and also yesterday's high.
yes, sir, got it, sir. Sir, and about the failed auction. So for the failed auction trades, I need not worry about the trend. Like, is it okay? Like, if the trend is with the trend or it's without the trend? Like for that failed auction.
There are two types of failed auction. Failed auction can be taken when the market is in sideways. Okay.
Yeah.
That will work both the ways. You can also buy, you can also sell. Two kind of trades also can be taken using failed auction when the market is sideways, because it is always trying to come to the mean. It try to expand, try to come to mean, try to expand, try to come to mean. This activity.
Yeah.
But when the market is trending clearly, just like this, this was the uptrend. This created an uptrend. Now open upside and clearly told I am opening imbalance. I wanted to go up. It is the intention and created a IB. So now you must trade towards the trend. Towards the trend मतलब buying करना है. Buying side पे आपको buying entry मिला तो failed action में trade लेना है. Here you got a buying.
Mm-hmm.
If you would have got failed action towards sell, you will not be taking this because it is bullish.
Okay, so I need to see the trend as well, right?
हाँ.
Yeah. Okay, sir. So today, like I just wanted to, I was looking at Alchem. If we can just see the chart for that, please. K, sir. So how could I have this trade like when it's like how do I trade in this like
No, you must remember one thing: market context. The word called market context. Market context means what is the established trend. Okay. Now here you can clearly see it is in downtrend.
yes, sir, right.
Now here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days. It is in a range.
Yes, sir.
When it is in a range, what is called sideways, right?
Yes, sir.
In this range, when the market is balancedly trading, so आप ऐसे ही बोल सकते हैं from many days it is trading balance. It
Yes,
will be
right.
attracting the price towards mean. When it comes outside, attracting towards the mean. That is what today it has worked failed action. Failed action G में हो रहा है.
G.
This your entry will be here and your target will be this. Okay, this one you are saying.
Yeah, sir, this one. Yeah, today's.
Once again वो भी clear है. वो भी clear है. So two type of this was yesterday's one and today it is clearly at the reference levels it got failed. देखो ये failed action नहीं है. Failed action C में या D में I भी failed action नहीं है. This is the failed action of the sideways range.
Yeah, so it's within the IB only, but it has a good fall line.
Now ये आपको कैसे समझाएंगे मैं आपको एक्सपीरियंस में भी पता चलेगा. इधर से लेकर इतना बड़ा एक्सपेंशन हुआ and if you look at the IB ATR में लेके जाके आप देखा तो
Yes, sir.
this will be a wide IB.
Wide one, yeah, right.
Wide IB रहे तो आप कभी भी प्राइस ऐसे ही घूमेगा. ऐसे ही घूमेगा विद इन द रेंज.
Okay, sir.
ये मैं अभी एक क्लू देता हूँ. There are different ways of trading when you understand the market context. अभी आपको समझ में आ गए this has broken the resistance. तो कभी भी मैं एक क्लू देता हूँ अभी एक क्लू. मार्केट को ब्रेक करना है तो कोई सपोर्ट को रेजिस्टेंस को नियर बाय जाके उधर रुक के उधर से ब्रेक करना है. जस्ट लाइक आई वांटेड टू defeat this king. He is inside the fort. I will come and I will start to stay here in front of his fort or nearby his fort and prepare everything so that I will be freshly going and hitting him to defeat. Some more person, some more king, he will be traveling from the 500 kilometers directly coming and fighting. So who will be get tired? Who came from very far will be get tired, right?
Yeah.
The same thing here. People who bought price from this far away, definitely here these people get exhausted.
Okay.
कभी भी ब्रेकआउट नियर बाय होना है, नियर बाय प्राइस रुक के इधर से ब्रेक करना है। बाहर से दूर से आके कोई रेफरेंसेस को, कोई रेजिस्टेंस को ब्रेक करने का ट्राई किया तो उसको आप मानना नहीं है, चाहिए चांसेस इट विल गेट पेड।
Okay.
वो
So
सारा हाँ
sir, यहाँ पे ट्रेड लेना था कि like I could have taken any trade in this sir after B
you
bar
could have
C bar.
taken trade when the high broken and came reverse. You could have started here and kept your stop loss.
Sir, please once more if you can just repeat sir.
हाँ देखो now price has broken this. It is a big expansion.
Yes
Expansion
sir.
ब्रेक किया, बाद में
Yes.
इसके अंदर आ गए, मतलब ये रेजिस्टेंस ब्रेक किया, रेजिस्टेंस के अंदर आ गए, तो कभी
Yeah.
इसका रेजिस्टेंस के अंदर आ गए ना तो आप समझ
Yeah.
लेना इट केम बैक टू द इसको क्या बोलते हैं इन इंग्लिश में, तो आई डोंट नो, रिटर्न टू पेविलियन। ओके ऐसे
Yeah.
बोल
Okay. Back to pavilion.
इट इज रेडी टू एक्सेप्ट द रेंज, ये अंदर का रेंज का एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए रेडी हो गए। नाउ यू कैन शॉर्ट हियर इटसेल्फ एंड कीप योर स्टॉप लॉस हियर।
That would be C का sir first print of the C, right? That way.
नहीं, बी में ही हो गए,
B में.
started to go upside, come back.
Yeah.
मैं
Yeah.
इसको कैंडल में जाके आपको समझाऊंगा। आपको कैंडल देखा तो क्लियरली समझ में आ गया रिजेक्शन,
Yes sir.
और इसका छोटा टाइम फ्रेम पे भी आ जा सकते हैं। तो हियर यू वुड हैव शॉर्टेड एंड दिस विल बी योर स्टॉप। समझो आपको कोई रेफरेंस स्ट्रांग लेवल्स है तो आपको 5 मिनट में 3 मिनट में जाके उधर से आपको कोई रिवर्सल ट्रेड मिला तो रिवर्सल पैटर्न मिला तो कैंडलस्टिक के ऊपर आप ट्रेड ले सकते हैं, ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं। यू माइट हैव गॉट एन इन्वर्टेड हैमर हियर, दैट इज आल्सो वेरी गुड ट्रेड एंट्री।
Okay, but IV would be my reference, like IV break होना ही है, that way.
If you understand IV, more than enough.
Yes sir. Yeah sir. Done sir. Because it was a very good, like it was just falling throughout the day. Okay sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. Arjun ji, Arjun, unmute yourself, please. Arjun.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving me the opportunity, sir. Yeah, sir, in the market profile, when we open, there is this 24/25, these numbers, sir. I was just curious, like what it would be.
24?
Yeah, above this value, say suppose in on 5th March, like 4945.75.
Which one?
In the same screen, sir, right side, there is 50/12, that number. Yeah, right side, 50/12. What does it signify, sir? So, yeah, middle of the screen. Yeah, that in
So this
anything
is
like
the
there are
new
many
option.
entries.
This is the new option display. So I
Okay.
don't know this. I will check it and tell you.
Sure, sir. Thank
I
you.
will not be using this. Recently, this option got added.
Sure. And one more thing, so like if there is a day where market profile is in P and then the next day it will form as B, but when we see the P has formed, usually there might be a distribution happening and price has to come down, but it will go up as it is B, like if it has gone up and then B has formed. So what would be the market studies, or like what would have happened there?
The continuous B upside is
Uh,
not a
Okay, so it'll be entire many days context. Is it there was one P and there was one B above the P? Yeah. So when P has formed, usually price has to come down, but there is a B.
It is simple. It went up, went sideways, next opened and went sideways. This is the understanding. Until the break of this low, it remains bullish.
Okay, okay.
But
So even if it is a B, it is bullish.
It is an indecision zone where the price exchange is happening.
Okay.
Clarity will come only after the break of the range. Until you get the break of the range, you cannot understand.
Okay.
That's
So
what I said. You cannot clearly predict market will reverse from here.
right. Okay.
That is our maximum. What can we say? Our we can say
view.
No. There should be some limit. That is our limit.
Okay.
हमारा लिमिट कितना है? तो कभी वो खुद बोलेगा, we will understand and then we will
take action. Sure. And thank you so much, sir. Like this is
why
like
most of the wave analysis people and Elliott wave ऐसा बड़ा सिखाते हैं. Many people teach Elliott waves and people who learn Elliott wave people, most of the people will fail because they are just anticipators, they are just analyzers, that's all. तो उसमें कहे कभी भी आप ट्रेड नहीं ले पाओगे. यू कैन नॉट मेक ए मनी एट ऑल, क्योंकि वो एंटिसिपेट करेगा इधर से आएगा, इधर तक जाएगा, इधर आएगा. तो आप इधर ट्रेड लिया तो इधर तक रुक सकते हैं क्या? इट इज नॉट श्योर. दिस इज नॉट श्योर. मैं कभी भी बोलता हूं डू द श्योर थिंग्स. तो मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, समुंदर में जाके एक छोटा सा टम्बलर में पानी लेके आ सकते, इवन द चाइल्ड आल्सो. इट इज पॉसिबल. And don't expect to bring 1 lakh liters or 2 lakh liters. That is not possible from us. एक चाइल्ड जाके तो मैं भी जाके 1 लाख लीटर का पानी नहीं लेके आ सकता समुद्र से, because I have limits. I am in Bangalore. Why should I go to sea and get 1 lakh liters, 2 lakh liters? You understand? Possibilities are very important. हम ऐसा सोच रहे हैं इतना छोटा कैप्चर करना बहुत इजी है, एवरीबॉडी कैन कैप्चर. तो लोग क्या सोचते हैं बहुत बड़ा कैप्चर करना है. सर नहीं, छोटा कैप्चर करो, ज्यादा ट्रेड ले लो, ज्यादा लॉट ले लो, सिंपल.
one night rich we cannot.
It is possibility, highest possibility. Why most of the scalping people will succeed is so they capture the realities. They don't have the targets, scalping people, they don't have the targets. तो ऐसा ट्रेड लेगा and whenever it is they feel प्रॉफिट अच्छा है तो they book कर लेगा.
Sure, sir. And sir, like in the schedule there was 4th as a live class, but it did it happen on 3rd, sir? Because I missed.
Yes, it happened and recording also sent.
Sure,
Don't worry, I will be taking you the live often.
Sure.
We have only 2 sessions, but I have already taken 3, 4, 5, I think.
Yes, sir. So we'll be interested to take additional classes also, sir. Like there is excellent things going on. Thank you so much, sir.
Vijay ji.
Good evening, sir. हेलो.
हाँ सर, बोलिए सर.
क्लास तो अच्छा चल रहा है, लेकिन मेरे को ज्यादा बोले तो 100% तो श्योर नहीं हूँ मैं. शायद 50-60% तो समझा है, बाकी तो नहीं ज्यादा समझा. और मेरा एक प्रॉब्लम है, वो आपने जो लिंक भेजा है ना गो चार्टिंग वाला, मैंने बार बार ट्राई किया, ईमेल चेंज किया, लेकिन अभी मैं गो चार्टिंग परचेस नहीं कर पाया हूँ. उसके लिए आपकी तरफ से कोई गाइड भी नहीं कर पा रहा है कोई. क्या
सर
करने का
आपको
है वो मेरे पास
क्या
वही
प्रॉब्लम
नहीं.
आ रहा था उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या
उसमें बस वो जैसे अपना नाम ईमेल डालते हैं और पासवर्ड डालते हैं, तो बाद में सिर्फ वो बोलते दिस ईमेल इज टेकन, बाकी आगे कुछ आता ही नहीं.
क्या
आगे
बोलता है?
प्रोसेस दिस ईमेल इज टेकन, नया डाला तो भी उतना ही आता है, डिसिमिलर टेक का, बस उसके आगे कुछ होता ही नहीं।
ओके।
ऐसा ऐसा 6-7 बार हुआ है, बाद में वो मैंने बंद कर दिया अपना। कोई आत्मा मेरे को गाइड करता है तो
सर
करने
एक
का,
काम
ऐसा
करो
है।
सर,
हाँ
वन थिंग,
हाँ
आप मुझे व्हाट्सअप कर देना आपका
हाँ
नाम, मुझे याद रहेगा,
हाँ
कल मैं
हाँ
अ,
हाँ हाँ, अपने को करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि मेरे पास वो चीज नहीं, तो मैं
हाँ
पूरी
यस
तरह से
यस
समझ नहीं पा रहा
यस
है।
यस,
अभी अभी तो शायद अभी
आपका
130।
नाम मैसेज करके ये डाल दो, मुझे याद रहेगा।
हाँ, कब करूँ मैं सर?
अभी कर दो सर, अभी कर दो।
और करने का कब है? आज अभी करना है या आपके टाइम के हिसाब से करना है, ऐसा है क्या?
नहीं, अभी मुझे मैसेज कर दो, मैं कल
हाँ
मॉर्निंग देखूंगा
हाँ
ना सभी का
हाँ,
फॉर्मेट।
चलेगा चलेगा चलेगा, ओके सर, ओके सर। और वो अभी बोला है, हेलो,
हाँ
एक जन ने बोला, सही बोला है। आप तो जा रहे हैं आगे आगे, सब कुछ समझ, कई लोगों को समझ में आता है, कई लोगों को पूरा नहीं आता, कई लोगों को थोड़ा आता है। तो इसमें इन शॉर्ट, एक्चुअली मैं तो ऐसा एक एक्सपेक्ट कर रहा हूँ कि मेरे को पूरा नहीं आना, नहीं भी आया, या पूरा ट्रेड का फायदा भी, बेनिफिट नहीं लिया, तो कम से कम अपना क्लास करने के बाद थोड़ा बहुत तो भी ये
सर,
हिंट्स
ये
मिला
टॉपिक नया है ना,
तो थोड़ा।
एंटायरली ये नया है, एंटायरली नया
हम्म,
है। इसमें आप फिफ्टी
इसलिए
परसेंट भी समझ गए ना, वो
हाँ
बहुत
हाँ,
ज्यादा।
समझ रहा है।
फिफ्टी
तो
परसेंट भी
थोड़ा
समझ।
ऐसा थोड़ा थोड़ा ट्रेड लेने के लिए एक 3-4% भी दिए ना लास्ट में तो अपने को अच्छा रहेगा सब लोगों के लिए। एक जन ने बोला था, ये पूरा ध्यान में रख के मैंने के सिवा वो तो होना ही, समझना ठीक है, लेकिन वो सब प्रैक्टिकल में जाते हैं ना तो ये नहीं होता सही, समझ में ध्यान में नहीं रहता वो।
ओके सर, विल डू इट।
हम्म,
थैंक यू।
ठीक है सर।
वेणु सर, वेणु वेणु
సార్ కుడ్ యూ విలియన్స్ మీ సార్?
చెప్పండి సార్.
ఐ ఆడిబుల్ సార్? ఓకే సార్, ఒకసారి బెల్ ట్రేడ్ ఒకసారి చూడరా? బెల్
నా దగ్గర బెల్ లేదే.
బెల్
బెల్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది?
కంపెనీ బెల్ భారత్ ఎలక్ట్రానిక్స్.
అవునా?
అది లాస్ట్ 4 days అంటే నేను
బిఈఎల్
యాక్చువల్గా
బిహెచ్ఎల్
బిఈఎల్
ఓకే.
యాక్చువల్గా లాస్ట్ 2 days బ్యాక్ 225 టచ్ అయినప్పుడు ఆ ఎగ్జాస్టింగ్ యాక్చువల్గా అక్కడ నాకు కనపడిన తర్వాత నేను లాట్స్ షార్ట్ చేసుకున్నాను. మళ్ళీ నెక్స్ట్ డే ఇమీడియట్ గా నాకు వచ్చిన ఇమీడియట్ బ్లాక్ యాక్చువల్ గా నాకు, అంటే మీరు చెప్పింది అది రిఫ్లెక్షన్ 2 days ముందర అది సరిగ్గా సూట్ అవుతుంది. అంటే కెన్ యూ గివ్ మీ ఎనీ సజెషన్స్ రిగార్డింగ్ దిస్ సార్? ఇప్పుడు నెక్స్ట్ మూమెంట్ మళ్ళీ 225 మళ్ళీ టచ్ అవుతుంది, మళ్ళీ ఈరోజు క్రాస్ అయింది. ఈరోజు మళ్ళీ అది క్రాస్ అయింది, ఎగ్జాస్టింగ్ అయిపోయింది కదా ఈ రోజు కూడా. మీరు చెప్పిన కరెక్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇది నేను 4 నెలలు గమనిస్తున్న, లాస్ట్ డిసెంబర్ నుంచి అది మూవ్ అవుతోంది. ఒక్కోసారి పికప్ తీసుకెళ్ళిపోతున్నారు. అంటే బాగా వాలటైల్ స్టాక్స్ లో ఇది ఒక స్టాక్ సార్. బీటా వాల్యూస్ చాలా ఎక్కువ ఉన్న స్టాక్.
This close the balance once again balance. Now totally it has to take beyond ఇలాంటి టైంలో ఐ విల్ గివ్ అన్ సజెషన్. 1 2 3 4 days ని ప్రొఫైల్స్ ని మర్జ్ చేసుకోండి, లేకపోతే 1 2 3 days ప్రొఫైల్స్ మర్జ్ చేసుకోండి. ఓకే, టోటలీ యూ విల్ గెట్ 3 days because all these 3 days in a balance. Now
Okay.
it is nothing but 3 days they are accepting a fair price. If you
Okay.
want watch this, there is an option here.
Yes.
Merge.
డెల్టా వాల్యూస్ కూడా కొంచెం తేడాగా కూడా కనపడ్డాయి సార్. నాకు ఆ 1 డే లాభం 16,000.
దాంట్లోనా సెల్లా?
సెల్ ఆప్షన్స్ తీసుకున్నాను. 225 దగ్గరే సెల్ చేస్తాను. 7 రూపీస్ దగ్గర సెల్ చేస్తాను.
Maximum you can mark like this. This will work as a value area.
నిన్న మాత్రం ట్రేడ్ చాలా వర్డ్ గా ఉంది. ఈ రోజు కూడా 224 అది.
చూడండి పిఓసి ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ వచ్చింది, ఇక్కడ
సేమ్ అదే వచ్చింది. అవును.
Now closing above the value area is a clue, but tomorrow also you can anticipate a trend day.
Yes. Okay.
It is a one of
Monday.
the two.
Okay, Monday కూడా ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు ట్రెండ్ పైకి ఉంటుందని.
Friday. Okay. Yes, that is what next you can anticipate imbalance.
Okay. It will అంటే లైఫ్ టైం హై కూడా క్రాస్ చేసేస్తుంది.
Chances ఉంది. Provide IB should be breaking the high of yesterday.
Okay. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Whenever you see the prices are closing above the, this is the value area, right? Today's value.
జస్ట్ క్లోజ్ అంటే మళ్ళీ బ్యాక్ మళ్ళీ రివర్స్ చేసి మళ్ళీ కొద్దిగా చాయిపోయింది ఈరోజు ఈవినింగ్ కి. జస్ట్ లోపలికి వచ్చి ఆగిపోయింది బౌండ్ కోకి.
వీక్లీ ఇప్పుడు 1, 2, 3, 4 days తీసుకుంటే it just like closing above the weekly value area highs. Weekly it is showing bullishness. Weekly it is showing bullishness. In daily it is closing below the value area. A little bit minus.
Okay. ఒకసారి ఇదే
just one day if you get IB,
yes,
crossing this will give you more confidence.
One day. Okay. Sir, ఇంకొకటి ఇదే బెల్ February 23rd ట్రేడ్ ఒకసారి చూడండి సార్. February 23rd ట్రేడ్. February 23rd. ఇప్పుడు అంటే యాక్చువల్ గా మనం కింద సార్ అడిగిన క్వశ్చన్ ఏంటంటే ప్రెడిక్షన్ అంటే ముందు రోజున ఒక 2 days ముందర ప్రెడిక్ట్ చేయొచ్చు అని చెప్పారు కదా. వీ కెన్ ప్రెడిక్ట్ ద మార్కెట్ బిఫోర్. అదైతే ఇంకా రాలేదు.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పాను కదా మీకు, దట్ ఈస్ హౌ యూ కెన్ ప్రెడిక్ట్ టుమారో వాట్ కెన్.
yes, అది జస్ట్ అలా చూస్తుండిపోగలిగాను కానీ ఆ రోజు హైయర్ ఆన్ హైస్ అలా వెళ్ళిపోయింది. ఒక్క దట్ వాస్ ద డే 16 రూపీస్ అంటే ఆల్మోస్ట్ 10% హైక్ అది. February 23rd. Yes, February 23rd.
Closing has happened. 22nd closing has happened. The high of the day.
Yes. సో ఇక్కడ కింద డెల్టాస్ తో ఇంకా అంటే డెల్టా ఇంకా స్టార్ట్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి కింద డెల్టాస్ తో ఏమైనా సంబంధం తెలుస్తుందా సార్? 30 minutes గ్యాప్ లో ఏమన్నా
ఇక్కడ లాస్ట్ డేనా?
అదే February 23rd కి ఆ ముందు రోజు యాంటిసిపేట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఈ రోజు దాంతో ఏమన్నా కొంచెం కోలరేట్ చేయగలరా దాంతో పాటు ఈ రోజు చెప్పిన వాటితో?
మీకు నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ వస్తుంది దాంట్లో మీరు యూ కెన్ అంటిసిపేట్.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
టుమారో if it is not crossing the high of the Friday, you can anticipate sideways.
Okay.
If it crosses the high, definitely that will be trending.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Avinash ji.
Hello, sir. I have asked you question regarding that. I have taken a IB trade today in Sensex. Sir, you suggest me that in IB I have suggesting you the clue and just after my mobile battery got discharged.
नहीं, आप अच्छे सा ट्रेड लिया था आज. That is what I told.
Okay, sir.
आपका ट्रेड अच्छा था. मैं आपको एक सजेशन भी दिया हूँ. आपको एक सजेशन भी दिया हूँ. ये रिकॉर्डिंग को दोबारा आप देखो. ओके. तो एक 2 सजेशन दिया हूँ कैसे ट्रेड लेना है, अच्छा फाइन टूल कैसे करना है.
जी सर. ठीक है.
हाँ, नवीन किशोर।
हेलो
यस सर।
सर, ये मैं गो चार्टिंग के लिंक से ट्राई कर रहा हूँ,
हाँ।
परंतु वो हर बार ये लिख रहे हैं कि दी ईमेल हैज ऑलरेडी टेकन। तो मैंने 2 या 3 तो अपने ईमेल भी चेंज किया, बट नथिंग इज हैपनिंग।
हाँ नवीन जी, एक काम करो सर, अभी
जी
तुरंत मुझे व्हाट्सएप में मैसेज कर दो आपका नंबर डाल के, वो चैटिंग प्रॉब्लम करके, तो कल मैं
सर, वो
आपको चालू करूंगा।
सर व्हाट्सएप का नंबर बता दीजिए।
ग्रुप में है, देखो वेल्थ ब्रिज एकेडमी करके है,
ओके ओके ओके, मैं चेक कर लेता
6989 है लास्ट नंबर।
हूँ। ओके सर, थैंक यू।
श्रीधर सर, हिरियूರು।
Yeah. Hello.
हाँ
Yeah,
ಹೇಳಿ
my
ಸರ್.
ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಹಾ ಹಾ.
ಸರ್, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನಂದ್ರೆ, ಈಗ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ ಆಬ್ಸೆಂಟ್ ಟ್ರೇಡರ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವಿಚ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಯು ನೇಮ್ ಸಮ್ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ಗಾಟ್ ಲೋ
I will give
ಪ್ರೈಸ್
you group of stocks. I will
ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್?
give you group of stocks.
Yeah, which have got less margin requirement, but still movement is good for day trading.
I will
I
give you
needed some.
at the end
Yeah.
of this boot camp. I will give you group of stocks to trade.
Okay, sir. Right. That's what.
श्रीकांत जी, श्रीकांत जी, प्रकाश।
Sir, I have one query regarding the Go charting. So I am not enrolled at all, and I don't know how the templates and all those things. Know how to put. And can you have any suggestions or any
Right
videos
now,
or any?
you also send me WhatsApp message saying,
Oh,
I am Prakash facing Go chatting problem.
no, what I'm telling, but the templates and everything is there, na?
Hmm.
So indicators. So how to add the indicators and all those things. Any videos or anything is there, then that will be a good for us. That's the
Yes,
thing.
I will make a video how to add
Ah,
indicators. Then I will post in the group.
okay, sir. Okay, thanks a lot. Okay.
Ashok Rajni sir.
Same question was about Go chatting. So you're going to post it, no?
Yes. Ajit. विमान सैनी जी।
हाँ जी सर, एक स्मॉल क्वेश्चन है। जैसे अभी ये आपने स्टॉक सेलेक्ट किया हुआ है बेल आई, राइट? तो इसमें मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है, जब नॉर्मली जैसे मेरे पास आईसीआईसी बैंक ये ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट है आईसीआईसीआई में, तो वहां पे आई का ऑप्शन नहीं आता। जब यहाँ पे आई आता है तो इसमें कहीं थोड़ा बहुत कुछ डिफरेंस रहता है शायद रेट में ना। अगर मैं एग्जैक्ट पॉइंट्स यहाँ पे करूँ कुछ जो मेरी रेजिस्टेंस है, सपोर्ट है।
है आप उधर क्या आता है, आईसीआईसी बैंक फ्यूचर करके आता है, उधर एफ
ओके।
आएगा, एफ आएगा।
हाँ।
आप देखो अलग अलग दिखाते हैं, डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ब्रोकर्स हैव डिफरेंट नेम्स, वो थोड़ा उसके देख के उसको समझना है।
थोड़ा बहुत डिफरेंस रहता है ना इनमें। नॉर्मली तो जब हम बाई करते हैं, जैसे मोस्टली डिलीवरी करता हूँ, डिलीवरी में लेता हूँ मैं, और या स्विंग के लिए लेता हूँ, या कभी इंट्राडे भी कर रहे हैं, तो इंट्राडे वाले में तो वहां पे आई में आई फ्यूचर सेलेक्ट करना होगा या नॉर्मल सेलेक्ट करें यहाँ से?
आईसीआईसी में मत करो सर, आईसीआईसी में ट्रेडिंग मत करो, कोई दूसरा ब्रोकर से करो। ओके, वो थोड़ा वो ट्रेडिंग के लिए सही नहीं है,
अच्छा, और
वो
सजेस्ट करना
बैंकिंग के
फिर?
लिए सही है।
ओके ओके।
आप मेरा व्हाट्सएप नंबर में ब्रोकर करके डाल दो, एक मैसेज मुझे डाल दो, मैं कल हेल्प करूंगा।
ठीक है सर, ठीक है।
ओके। महाजन जी, मयूर।
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Are you able to get me? Yes. So the session is fantastic, sir. I'm trading since the when your first lecture I attended on the 13th of March. So I'm trading with the delta when the delta is greater than the 35K and it is above or below the SMA. So sir, it is work as expected, and near about every time I get the 40-50 points in Nifty, Bank Nifty options. In last 2 to 3 days, I traded the failed, failed, failed option trade. Also, yeah, and today also, because the IB is moderate, I traded the normal that the what is the name of the next day? That normal variation day. So that is also work perfectly, sir. Means lots of points are covered in that session. Near about 120, 130 points are captured in Bank Nifty. Lots of times, sir, I ping you on WhatsApp that screenshots because I never make such a points like 120 points because we don't know where to book the profit, how to means where to uh, apply the SL or because when we apply the 20-30 points that is always hit. Now we know where is our SL. So most of the time it is not hitting right now.
When you understand order flow, you will make better trades.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Angadji, do you have question?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Actually, sir, I was asking last time, but I got muted in between. My network also dropped. So, one question was left to ask you, sir. Sir, basically in the one of the diagrams that you had showed that open types and conviction. In that there were 4 diagrams, and basically the ABC bar view, and it was the unsplit view, basically. Uh, I Sir, it was just towards the last open types and conviction. Yes, sir. Open order types and conviction. So basically, it was, sir, AB bar, basically ABC bar, and it was having the split view. So, sir, my question was that, sir, basically every bar is forming after half an hour. A after half an hour, then B after half an hour, then C after half an hour. Now, sir, basically A and B bar is forming the initial balance. A and B, they form the initial balance. So now with relation to last day's average 2 range, when the initial balance is formed due to the AB bar, then we can start making a judgment of the day that, is it a normal variation day? Is it a trend day? Is it a normal day? Sir, then after that C bar happens, so which is after 1.5 hours. Now after, sir, C bar happens, then we get the 4 types of auction, which are the open order, the open drive, open test drive, and we get the 4 types of auctions also after 1.5 hours. So basically, sir, that after 1.5 hours, we can then take a trade decision for the day.
All these auctions will happen within AB. Most
AB.
of the time.
Most of the time. So, sir, my question was that in the AB bar is formed after 1 hour, which is the initial balance.
Sorry. Your open auction will happen in the A bar itself, not AB bar.
Okay. So, sir, yes, sir. So, sir, my question was that when we have 2 types of classifications, that one is the type of day, which is the normal, is the day normal or variation or the trend day. And we also now have the information about the type of auction, that open drive, open test drive, etc. Sir, can we combine these 2 things, the type of day plus the type of auction, to form our decision-making framework? So sir, if that could be touched upon maybe for like 5-10 minutes in any upcoming class, so that basically we are using type of day plus type of auction to form our decision-making matrix. So basically bringing them together.
I mentioned what kind of days can be formed.
Anticipate the day. So my, sir, point was that once our open auction is formed, because all the 3 bars have happened. then basically our type of dish is also mostly fixed, is what I'm saying. We know what to anticipate for the coming day. Once our so that was what I was trying to say. Then maybe we can have that thing that okay, type of day and type of option we can take it as a decision making matrix, like with certainty, not only to say anticipate. We can say okay, for 85% we are certain, not 100% but 85%. So that was what sir thought came to my mind, and I thought to ask you in terms of can we form our decision making matrix like that. Okay, thank you.
Jagdish sir.
నమస్తే సార్. అది నాది గోచార్ట్ కాలేదు సార్, అది గోచార్ట్ అట్లే ఉంది.
రేపు చేస్తాను సార్, నిన్న ఈ రోజు లేదు నేను.
చూడండి సార్ అదొకటి. తర్వాత
వాట్సాప్ లో నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి సార్.
పెడతాను సార్. ఓకే, ఇది ఏటీఆర్ గురించి చెప్పండి సార్, నాకు ఏటీఆర్ ఒకటి.
ఏటీఆర్
ప్రీవియస్ డే సార్ అది.
సార్ మీరు రికార్డింగ్ వాచ్ చేయండి, తెలుస్తుంది
సార్.
రికార్డింగ్ వాచ్ చేయండి
సార్. సరే సార్. అదే న్యారో మోడరేట్ వైడ్ అర్థమైంది. ఆ ఏటీఆర్ ఎట్లా తీసుకున్నాను మర్చిపోయినాను, అప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పినట్టు గుర్తుంది.
ఆడ ఇండికేటర్స్ లో పోయి ఏటీఆర్ టైప్ చేస్తే వచ్చేస్తుంది, సింపుల్.
సరే సరే, ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్. రేపు అదొకటి సార్, నాది గ్రోత్ ఉంది సార్ నాకు అక్కడ.
మీరు నాకు మెసేజ్ పెట్టండి రేపు.
ఓకే ఓకే, థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
I hope everybody's questions got answered. Thank you so much. Today Sridharan is not there. Sridharan. These questions will be very good. He is not there. Anyway. Okay. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Have a good night.